Yo people, and welcome back to this new live stream here in the channel. And today is going to be a very exciting live stream here, of course, because today is not just a normal live stream, because today we will have this face cam here also. So I'm already looking forward to it, so let me know if you're also looking forward to it. So I thought Facecam is a very good upgrade here for the setup and also for you guys. So guys, today is going to be a very exciting day. Today we will be looking here for a very good trading opportunity here for Bitcoin. We will also look for a very good trading opportunity here for Ethereum, and also trying to open some swing trades here. So guys, I'm getting very excited. Let me know what you guys right now think about the market, because we will try and open these live trades all together here. And guys, Cardano is absolutely crushing it today, and Cardano is showing a lot of strength here today, and that is also the reason why I would like to open a trade here on Cardano, also with the update that is coming here at the 1st of March. And you can see a lot of people are right now forking Cardano, and that's also the reason why it's not falling off so early. And everyone's saying good morning, Facecam. So thank you guys. What's up here? Welcome out to the stream. So we're going to do the streams from off now like this here, and I hope my lighting is working. So still have to do maybe some minor adjustments here, and yeah, and you can finally see the apples right now, guys. You can finally see the apples. So I will eat some live apples, of course, and also have a drink of my coffee here. But I mean, guys, today is going to be a very exciting day. We're going to look for some opportunities here, and yesterday, of course, got stopped out of this trade, and right now heading towards lower levels here. And guys, probably you do want to know what is behind. You do want to know what is behind this dump here, because also, yeah, looking to the F2 pool, miners are dumping right now, and I'm sitting in front of it, but miners are right now dumping here. And guys, you have to know, if you're freaking out here, you have to know that you don't want to sell your Bitcoin right now, because if you're selling your Bitcoin right now, you're just absolutely getting wrecked here, and that is not our strategy here. So also did some adjustments for the microphone, so hopefully it's working also here. And everyone is saying good morning, lighting is amazing, very nice. Good morning, nice setup. Yeah, very good, guys. I just upgraded the setup just a while ago, but of course we will be looking for some live opportunities here in the stream, and also, yeah, looking to Bitcoin still. We told you before, 42.1k will be definitely a very good buying opportunity here. And right now looking to this once again here, you see yesterday another dump came in here, and of course we were stopped out of our trade, but that doesn't matter, because right now I'm planning to open some swing trades here, especially on Cardano, because Cardano with the upgrade is coming with a lot of hype right now around it. I mean, I really want to step into Cardano a little bit more here, and also with trading. I do want to open a swing trade for maybe the couple 2 or 3 weeks here. And guys, once we are opening the stream, we will be opening this live here in once we are opening this trade, we will be opening this live here in the stream. So that is of course very amazing here. But yeah, I mean, like I told you before, just getting the intro done here in the stream, this F2 mining pool and these other, I mean, only the F2 mining pool is dumping. The other mining pools are right now not even dumping here. So they're trying to push the price even lower. And you can see, just like they did in January, right now dropping off very bigly here. It was an outflow of approximately 40.2k Bitcoin. So that's quite a lot of Bitcoins that they were selling here. And they're trying to make people scared to sell their Bitcoin. So please, guys, make sure to don't sell your Bitcoins around these levels here, because otherwise you're absolutely getting wrecked here, of course. People are saying, finally seeing your face. Yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys are enjoying it with Facecam. Some more interaction here with you guys. And I see already 1,000 live viewers, guys. Thank you so much for already tuning in here. And you know what to do if you're new to the stream here. If you just joined in here, you know what to do. Smash up the like buttons. That will be, of course, very nice. And everyone's saying F2 pool is ruining the party right now. But guys, don't be afraid, because F2 pool is right now ruining the party here. We are getting this opportunity to buy Bitcoin cheap. And guys, that is what we want. We want to buy Bitcoin cheap here, because they are right now giving us this sale here, and you really want to benefit from it. And also these altcoins. I mean, Cardano is holding up very strong here. If I go to CoinMarketCap, and you can really see that Cardano is only performing very strong here, and also compared to Bitcoin, it's really outperforming, yeah, literally Bitcoin so fast here. And that's also the reason why I do want to get into Cardano, also with the upgrade coming in here. And I mean, Cardano is looking very strong here, and just also everything is in the red. And only Cardano is in the green here. So, I mean, doing very good here. So, finally, we can show you your apples. And definitely, I will show you my apple here. Once I'm eating it, of course. I don't know. Everyone sees me as the apple guy here. So, today, of course, looking for opportunities. Maybe already getting the opportunity right now. So, I'm actually looking to open a swing trade here for Cardano, because Cardano is showing a lot of strength, and we all know that Cardano is going back to these levels around the $1.20 here. It's just a matter of time till we're going to reach this. So, I mean, I really want to open this swing trade, and Let's look at Bitcoin. We are also seeing some kind of a divergence here, because you're seeing a higher low getting created here in the RSI, and I'm sorry, you're seeing a lower high getting created in the RSI, lower low getting created in the RSI, but you're seeing a higher low getting created here in the price chart in the RSI. So I mean, we are right now seeing this bullish divergence here. It can also push the price higher. So in my opinion, it is looking very strong right now. If you look to the price of if you look to the price of Bitcoin. So in my opinion, I do really want to enter a position right now in Cardano. So guys, if you want to know, I'm going to open this position here for a swing trade. And I'm only going to use a 4x here, because yeah, we do want to look here for a long position trade here in Cardano. And I mean, I'm looking forward to get this trade in here, because this will be a very, very nice trade here in my opinion, because I believe in Cardano, of course, like you guys know here. And today's Friday, and today is the day that the F2 mining pool will be done dumping. And this day will probably will be a very, very exciting day. The last day of the week, always very exciting. So let's see how this will go here. Because yeah, if you look to the Bitcoin price, of course, very exciting times right now, guys. Very exciting times. And yeah, of course, we first predicted here that we were going to towards levels around the 42.1k here. But in my opinion, right now, this is already looking strong that we are getting this bounce in. And it is also looking like they are already done dumping here. So maybe, yeah, of course, they're trying to push the price even lower here, because they are in a short position in the future. So they are trying to manipulate the market. So don't get fooled, guys. Don't sell your Bitcoin to these people here, because then you're absolutely getting wrecked here. And you have to know I'm getting more bullish and more bullish here on Cardano, and yeah, right now it's just taking off here. So looking for the swing trade opportunity for Cardano. I just earlier 1 hour ago I already want to enter this position, but I thought I'm going to wait a little bit longer here. But if I did so, I was doing a very good job here for now. But let me see. Everyone is also very, very bullish on Cardano, but yeah, right now seeing this bullish divergence in the 1 hourly chart of Bitcoin, making Bitcoin also going a little bit higher from here on. And I mean, also in the 4 hour, is also forming this bullish divergence. So this is a very strong buying opportunity right now. Really want to get into this trade here. So going to discuss this real quickly here. Let me see, because I do maybe even want to enter right now for the swing trade. Maybe want to enter right now. So I will keep you guys up to date, of course, what I'm doing with this trade and what we are doing here in general here. And guys, by the way, having 1,500 live viewers and only 300 likes, I mean, we can definitely smash up these likes here. Having 1,500 live viewers, absolutely insane here. And I'm still going to wait a little bit longer here for the opportunity to open this swing trade here on Cardano. I mean, I really want to get into it. And like I told you already, in this stream, we will be taking this opportunity. But yeah, maybe we're even going to go lower from here on. But yeah, it all depends on Bitcoin right now. Once again here, but in my opinion, seeing this bullish divergence, it's looking very strong here for Bitcoin. Looking very strong here in the immediate short term for Bitcoin. So I mean, I'm looking forward to it. People are saying Cardano compared to Ethereum, pool flag getting created. Oh, I know right now flipping to the 1 minute. So that is of course not my meaning. But I will look to Cardano compared to Ethereum here real quickly for you guys. Let me see if I look to the chart. Yeah, you can see Cardano compared to Ethereum just blasting off here, guys. And we were discussing this chart already for a longer period of time, guys. And this chart, we were anticipating this chart very, very well here. If you look at this chart, you can see this horizontal line was acting as very significant resistance. And since we broke through, yeah, we absolutely skyrocketed. And yeah, today and yesterday were also very good days here for Cardano. Compared to Ethereum, Cardano compared to Bitcoin also outperforming very, very good here. And yeah, I mean, I'm flipping very bullish right now on Cardano. If I look to all these charts here, to the updates that are upcoming here, and I do want to get an entry in here for the trading competition, of course, because we still want to make some insane gains here. And I think a swing trade entering right now will be a very good position to enter it, because I mean, if in my opinion, Bitcoin is done dumping here. And if I look to the 20-day moving average, yeah, we are right now below the 20-day moving average. But of course, it's very annoying on the daily. But also on the 4 hourly, we are below the 20-day moving average. So we can still get pushed even lower here, guys. So you have to be careful. You have to be careful here before opening this trade here, because you can still get rejected by this 20-day moving average, because in a bull market, this 20-day moving average is always acting as very significant support. But once we are breaking below this 20-day moving average, you can see that the price always gets pushed lower once we are hitting this moving average once again. And see, Jesper, thank you for showing your support, Jesper, and also getting this donation from Zest. Thank you for your $5 donation, Zest. You're saying it's great to finally associate associate a name to a face, and that's very nice that you can finally recognize me, because yeah, of course, getting this upgrade in for you guys, trying to build better quality, trying to make better videos for you guys, and you're saying props for you stepping up your production, my man. Yeah, and guys, you have to know I'm always trying to make better quality here, and also investing a little bit more in my setup here. Also completely got a new desk here, completely got some new monitors. So I mean, yeah, of course, right now YouTube is also, I want to do this for you guys, and also want to make better quality for you guys, and that's also the reason why we are right now having this face cam for you guys. And also 30-minute lives, 30 minutes lives, and already 1600 live viewers, guys. You're absolutely insane here. So let's see if we can also smash through these like buttons. That would be, of course, very nice. I like your mic. Yeah, of course, we got a new mic here, and also right now also in front of me, so I mean, I'm liking it as well. So let me see if you guys have some questions here for me. And guys, we will also look for this trading opportunity here, because that is, of course, our goal here at the channel, looking for some trading opportunities here. And also, if you look to Ethereum, also trading below the 20-day moving average. So this will probably act as very significant support, resistance, I mean, and also creating a little slider lower, low 4-hourly candle, and it's also not all too strong here for Ethereum, of course. And a new mouse. Yes, I also got a new mouse here, because yeah, you guys know 2 days ago here my mouse was not working really properly, because it was broke, so it broke down here. So of course also got a new mouse here, so of course that is also very nice here. And please don't spam in the chat, because if you're spamming in the chat here, you will get blocked here, and I won't answer your question. Of course, I would like to answer all your questions, but please don't spam in the chat. And also look into Chainlink. Chainlink is, of course, also holding pretty strong here compared to Ethereum, in my opinion. And also would like to enter a trade here on Link. And Twisted for 20s, you also donated. Let's get a safe BTC trade in. And I mean, let's get a safe trade in, and if we're really going to enter a safe trade, would like to see this 42.1k target getting hit. But guys, you have to know what what I'm right now thinking about this situation, what we're right now seeing with the F2 pool here. Also, the real Night Rider donated €2 here. But what we are right now seeing, guys, you have to know. I'm feeling very interesting thought what you do want to do right now, because you can see the F2 mining pool is right now targeting Bitcoin. They're targeting to drop Bitcoin lower here. They're targeting to, of course, they are targeting to drop Bitcoin because they're in a short position. But what we are right now seeing here is that you can see Cardano is holding so strong here. It is still in the green, where they're trying to dump Bitcoin. And always once you're dumping Bitcoin, you can always see that this also will follow, because yeah, you can see Ethereum dropping very significantly. Ethereum was dropping here, let me see, approximately 30% to the downside here. But if you look to Cardano, and that's also the reason why you want to open a trade on Cardano, from the top where we are right now, Cardano only dropped 10% here. Cardano is holding up so strong. And if you look to Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is right now doing from of this drop to where we are right now, it's 21% here approximately. So also that's the reason why I think Cardano can really blast off here if Bitcoin just chills down here. And Crypto Yarrick also donated $5 Australian, and you're saying, can we get a toll in the Discord? This face reveal has caused some people to get weak in the knees. That is very funny. And Yarrick, once again, thank you for the donation, and thank you for tuning in once again here in the stream, because Yarrick, you are also an absolute legend. We just discussed also the chart just earlier today with each other. Hopefully you're having some very good drone shot be made. And guys, having, by the way, 1800 likes here. It would be amazing if we can still smash up the likes to 500 likes, only 70 likes away here. So getting very exciting. And also we'll take a sip of my coffee. So, of course, very exciting times right now, very exciting times. And a lot of America still has to wake up here. And maybe when America is waking up here, they're also seeing Cardano and also buying into some more altcoins. And I do think altcoins, you want to get into altcoins right now, because you're seeing these huge sales. And that's also the reason why I do what I just told you about Cardano. That's also the reason why I do want to enter this swing trade on Cardano. And that is the reason. And I feel very bullish about Cardano. And of course, earlier today, just 1 hour ago, you saw this opportunity getting created here. You saw this opportunity here around the 2.618 here for the Fibonacci line. So I mean, that was really the opportunity that we did want to get here. But maybe we're getting another opportunity once we are seeing the Bitcoin price moving a little bit lower here. Smash the likes, everyone. MX Rocket, you are a legend. Let's do it here. Let's reach the 1,000 likes here. It would be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. So. Compressor on your mic would be good. I mean, I already added a compressor, but maybe haven't set it really good up here. So maybe if you guys can help me in the Discord server after the stream, would be very amazing. And the best Domino, maybe you can tag me in the Discord server and you can help me out after the stream. Will be, of course, very nice. So Yeah, you also donated here, and you just sent me the super chat, and you're saying, "Looking good, brother. Nice face cam. How is the dump?" So thank you for your super chat, of course. And how is the dump? Yeah, right now still seeing this dump coming in here. Right now seeing a minor bounce here, and if you look to the 1 hour, I mean, if you look to the 4 hourly, you can see bullish divergence right now getting created. So that can maybe push the price a little bit higher. And also on the 1 hourly, we are forming this bullish divergence. So of course, bullish divergence can push the price a little bit higher in the immediate short term. But yeah. And that's also why I do think that Bitcoin probably will go a little bit higher here in the altcoins also in the coming, let's say 1 or 2 hours here. But after that, maybe we can see another leg down here because they're trying to push the price lower till the end of today. So I'm going to be very careful with opening position today here. But of course, I will be looking, once we're seeing this retracement coming in, I will be looking for an opportunity here. But you have to be careful because they are not dumping now. They're not done with, they are not done dumping right now. So still playing it with caution here, still playing it a little bit safe, and do want to wait and see where we are heading towards, because we can definitely go a little bit lower here, and then we will definitely, of course, open this swing trade here. Yeah, definitely want to open this swing trade here. I'm right now seeing a minor wick getting created, but this bullish divergence is making me feel that we're probably going to go higher. And also want to look in some different coins here. And let me see. Netherlands, yes, I'm from the Netherlands, so yeah. Bullish divergence everywhere. Yeah, a lot of bullish divergence are right now spotted. So maybe if they are dumping once again here, we can once again push lower here. And Mike also donated, and you were saying, what do you think about Rubik? So we'll right away look into Rubik, my friend. So let me see. Only can compare it to Rep Ether, what is pretty unfortunate, of course, because I would like to compare it to US dollars. And Rep Ether is not my favorite comparison if I want to look at it. But I mean, yeah, I can definitely take a look at this coin. And not a lot of information about this coin. And you can see we were forming some kind of downward sloping resistance line and upward sloping support line. Already drew this a long period ago here. I know it. We were watching to this chart a long period ago. But since we broke out here, we had this retest of this resistance line flipping into support. And after that, you saw this massive increase in price here. It's not really a symmetrical triangle because I don't really like the structure of it. But yeah, you can see it's a break of this resistance line what we previously were forming here. So, I mean, it's looking very strong here, looking very good here for Rubik. And I don't really know the fundamentals, but if I go to Rubik, let me see on which place it is sitting right now, P450. So that's, of course, very, very nice. So, yeah, I mean, also the supply, already 81% is mined. So, I mean, it is very good if you look to the scarcity of the product, and also not a lot of my Rubik left to mine is very, very good here. But I mean, very hard to say the price target of the structure because this is not the most beautiful symmetrical triangle here. So I'm looking forward to how this will end here, of course, with Rubik. But my friend, you really want to look in the fundamentals. If you're buying such coins like this, sitting around P450 with only a market cap of approximately 37 million, you really want to look at the fundamentals of this coin. And I cannot do my fundamental research for you now. But yeah, it's looking like that we broke the resistance line here, and right now continuing higher. So Hyman also donated £3 here, and you're saying, hey man, what do we expect ADA to go? Hey man, do we expect ADA to go lower? And I'm not anticipating ADA especially to going lower here, but it all depends, of course, on Bitcoin. But it is looking like that ADA is detaching from Bitcoin here. ADA is showing a lot of strength compared to Bitcoin. ADA is showing, I mean, it is showing a lot of greed also in ADA, and also with ADA getting forked so large, it's staked so much here, and that is also why you are not seeing the ADA price drop off, and also a lot of hype because at the verge of March there will be a staked update here. And I mean, I'm feeling very bullish on our Cardano, and that's also the reason why I do want to open this swing trade here. And I mean, Hyman, do we expect to see Cardano go lower here? Yeah, we definitely can go lower, but also depends a little bit on Bitcoin. But I do think once Bitcoin is seeing a massive retracement, Cardano won't suffer that much here, because already for the last, let's say the last 5 days here, Cardano is showing a lot of strength compared to Bitcoin, a lot of strength compared to Ethereum. So I don't think that Cardano can go much lower here, and I'm feeling very bullish on Cardano here. So let me see. People are saying apple, so yeah, definitely will take a bite of my apple here today. Also will take a quick sip here of my coffee. When does the Bitcoin futures end? Price up after? It's going to end at 1 o'clock in standard. I mean, it's 1 a.m. tomorrow in standard European time, but I don't know what it is in your time. So it is going to end. Let me see. In approximately 14 hours, it's going to end. Approximately 14 hours, the Bitcoin futures will end here. And definitely, I do think the price will go up here. Also on the weekend, I do think that we can see a massive increase in price in this coming weekend. And that is also the reason why I do want to enter this swing trade. But also, you always want to be careful with trading Bitcoin in the weekends, because always low volume. And yeah, it's pretty risky always once you're trading it in the weekend. But I mean, I do think that the price probably will go up this weekend because the futures will end here. Definitely think so. And I do still think this is very good that we are seeing these retraces finally coming in here, guys, because you have to know, I was feeling a little bit more bearish here on the bull market. I thought the bull market was going to end earlier than expected, but if you look to the chart, finally seeing the retracement very good. Of course, it's manipulation here once again in the market, but I mean, it is very good that we are seeing this retracement because this can, in the end of the day, can extend the bull market even longer and also kick off maybe a new altcoin season. So, I mean, I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, the F2 pool, of course, dumping quite significantly, outflow of approximately 14k Bitcoin. So that is very, yeah, a lot of Bitcoins, of course. And because they're dumping, you can also see the decrease in price coming in here. And before, I don't get it, because why should you sell your Bitcoin? Why should you sell your Bitcoin at levels around 45k? And you're in a mining pool, so you know what Bitcoin is, you know the potential, and you're selling it right here. So it's basically manipulation, guys. So don't get fooled. Don't sell your Bitcoin to these people, because if you're selling Bitcoin to these people, you're just getting wrecked here, because they're trying to scare you off. They're trying to set a chain reaction up here. They're trying to dump the price lower, so you guys will dump as well. And we won't be these people that are dumping right now. We will be the one who is buying more and more. At least no financial advice, but I am. First appearance, hair slick, bro. Check 88, please. Yeah, of course. Very nice that you donate your £2 here. Thank you, Neymar here. So of course I will look to some different 88 charts here, of course. This is the Kraken chart, and I don't like use Kraken, by the way. I will flip this to Binance here, of course. But I mean, and this is a very interesting chart because this is the bigger picture of Cardano, and then you can see these Fibonacci levels in the long term here. But I mean, if you look at the chart, 0.786 here, very significant resistance here on the Cardano chart. But I mean, Cardano is absolutely looking bullish. And don't get me wrong, I do think that Cardano can easily be sitting around the $1.40 in the coming week here, and that will still be a very insane increase. There can be an increase of approximately 30% in the coming week. Guys, I won't be surprised if we're going to see it, and I'm generally not even surprised if we're going to. Yeah, $1.40, of course, also the all-time high. So I won't be surprised if we're going to see a new all-time high getting created for Cardano the next week here. So guys, make sure to keep an eye out on the channel, because Cardano is going to crush the market here, in my opinion. So I'm looking forward to it. And right now, having 2,200 live viewers, guys, very cool that you guys are still tuning in here. And make sure to smash up these likes here, because that will be, of course, very amazing if you can do so. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can smash up the likes to 1,000 likes as soon as possible. I mean, right now having 637 likes here and 2,200 live viewers, I do think that it is really reachable. And by the way, thank you for smashing up the 20.8k subscribers here. We're also smashing up the subscribers, so thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Very cool to see, of course. And yeah, we're going to discuss every single chart here and trying to also open the swing trade here on Cardano, because yeah, we are right now feeling very bullish on Cardano on the channel. Cardano will go much higher in the end of the year, and I still think first I was feeling a little bit less bullish on Cardano, but right now feeling very strong on Cardano, and I'm looking forward to see where Cardano will stand here in the coming bull market, because I do think it can easily surpass all my expectations here. I easily think it can definitely. Oh, sorry for me touching the mic. Maybe it sounds a little bit weird once I'm touching it, but sometimes I touch it with my nose. Don't know what I'm doing. But also Polkadot, right now you are seeing a decrease in Polkadot, but I do think Cardano will be the one to watch here in the coming weeks here. Cardano will be definitely, once we are reaching the 1st of March, and also this weekend probably Cardano will explode here. So keep an eye out on Cardano. Can you give your opinion about BNB? And of course, we'll also look at BNB for a second, because BNB also very interesting structure here. If you look to the 4 hourly, once again to the 1 hourly, once again getting this buying opportunity here, and maybe have to adjust this a little bit higher here, like this. We can draw it like this. That's perfect. So, I mean, if you look to BNB here, once again getting a very good buying opportunity. If I look to this chart, you can see once again a touch of this downward sloping resistance line getting flipped into support. So, I mean, it is, in my opinion, looking very strong, very nice to see this, of course, with Binance Coin once again giving you this opportunity. Was sitting around $208, so you could have already made a decent profit here of approximately, let's say, 7 to 8% here. So if you bought into it, very nice, of course. And I mean, also looking for some new higher highs and new all-time highs getting created for BNB rather sooner than later. But I do still think Cardano can really overtake Binance Coin in the coming days. So once again, only 2 billion difference between these coins. So they're sitting pretty close here to each other. And Binance Coin is also a very good coin here with the Binance Smart Chain. I mean, they're crushing these transaction fees. They're crushing these fast transactions here. They're doing a very good job. Very strong developer team also. So, I mean, Binance Coin also huge potential for the coming bull market, guys. huge potential for the coming bull market. And I mean, right now also getting a good buying opportunity for Binance Coin, because Binance Coin is also not finished yet, guys. If you're selling your Binance Coin right now, I mean, taking profits is always good here, but if you're just going to hold on your Binance Coin for a longer period of time, I mean, you're definitely going to crush it. You're definitely going to crush it with some insane gains here, and because all the insane gains are yet to be made here. The 10x, the 10 to 20x is still yet to come here. So, I mean, I'm looking forward to it, of course, and probably you guys as well here. Having 2,300 live viewers, guys, that's absolutely insane here. So make sure to smash up the likes here. It will be very cool if we can push this content to more and more people. So, yeah, let me see. Yeah, if you look to Ethereum may be forming some kind of a double bottom once again here, but yeah, we can definitely go a little bit low here, because still anticipating, of course, Bitcoin immediate short term going a little bit higher, but already creating this big wick on the top side. So maybe this mining pool is going to push the price another time lower here, and definitely we can open a position here. But I mean, guys, I will try and open a low leverage position here, because then I can ride it for the long term here, and also not getting stopped out here. So guys, once I'm opening this position, I will do this all together with you guys in this Femex, yeah, with you guys on Femex and also on Bybit. So if you want to use my referral links, you can do it right now in the description. It will be, of course, amazing, because we are giving these signals completely for free, and we're doing this every day for free for you guys. So also, if you want to use my Bybit referral link, would be also very amazing. And I mean, I'm looking forward to this trade opportunity that we are getting. So if you want to join us with trading, because I'm going to open a swing trade, and swing trades are going to be very, very valuable in these coming weeks here, because I do think that we're close to bottoming out in this downtrend here. And once we're opening a swing trade, we can ride this trade here with some insane gains here. So I mean, I'm looking forward to get this entry in here, and probably you guys as well, because swing trade, looking forward to it. I do think Cardano, once we're opening a 4x here, I think Cardano can, I mean, I would not be surprised if Cardano will be reaching $2 here in 2 to 3 weeks here. I mean, Cardano can go up very, very quickly here with all this hype around it. And also, you think Cardano is pretty high already, but only sitting around 33 billion, where Ethereum is right now sitting around 168 billion. And I mean, Ethereum is only decreasing in value, and Cardano is only getting closer here. So, I mean, it would be very nice, of course, if we're going to see some more momentum shift to Cardano. And these altcoins are getting closer and closer to Ethereum. Why do I hear you 2 times? I don't think this is my issue. Probably you have to look into it. And don't spam in the chat, man. I was answering a question, but right now spamming. Please don't spam in the chat. Because it's very annoying if you're spamming the chat, because everyone wants to answer a question. And let me see some questions for some other guys here. What is your opening point, bro? Definitely, I mean, I would like to open a position here on Cardano, and I will do it live in the stream once we're seeing this opportunity. But I definitely want to open a position on Cardano here, to be honest. But I first have to wait where Bitcoin is heading towards. And of course, I'm still anticipating this 42.1K, like we already told you a moment ago here. But I mean, yeah, we still have to wait a little bit longer here, because if Bitcoin is going to 42.1K, for me, it's really hard to say where Cardano is going to, because Cardano is showing a lot of strength here. And yeah, still have to wait where we are probably going towards here. And also, Thomas Basio donated here. Thank you for super chatting. You're saying morning, possible entry for Ethereum. I have to know possible entries. There are loads of possible entries, but it also if you are trading Ethereum, that is why I would like to trade Cardano right now, because if you're trading Ethereum right now, it all depends on Bitcoin. And once Bitcoin is dumping, Ethereum will follow even more here. So I mean, if I look to the chart of Ethereum, yeah, right now, if you look at basically only to this chart, it's giving you a very good opportunity to buy into Ethereum, but in my opinion, you should be very careful if you're willing to open a long position. But if I basically only look to this chart right now, finding support once again at this level, creating some kind of a double bottom here. So, I mean, yeah, definitely getting a good buying opportunity right now for Cardano, for Ethereum. And definitely if you want to buy in right now, guys, if you want to buy in right now, you're just going to hold for the coming 2 to 4 months, let's say, definitely a very, very good buying opportunity. And you're getting a very good sell-off here. And I mean, this is looking very strong here, and don't try and time the market once you're having a hollow position. But of course, if you want to open a trade, you can try also opening a swing trade, and also already opened a swing trade here on my private account, on my Bybit account. Maybe going to show it also anytime soon here with you guys. But right now only showing my trades here on Femex, but also willing to show some more transparency with you guys, because I want to share all my trades here, of course, with you guys. But I mean, looking to have another swing trade open also on Femex. But if you want to use my referral links, you can right now find them in the description here. But I mean, I'm looking forward to open a position also on Ethereum, but right now not finding the clear opportunity to open a position here on Ethereum because it all depends on Bitcoin. And if I look to Bitcoin, because yeah, the mining pools are trying to drop off Bitcoin because they're shorting Bitcoin. And yeah, I mean, still have to wait and see where Bitcoin is heading towards, because right now it's too risky to open a position on either Ethereum or Bitcoin, in my opinion, because we will be looking for long positions because the price can shoot up this weekend, in my opinion, very, very significantly to the upside. So let's see, and if we're going to get this opportunity to open this position here. Let's see if we're going to get this opportunity to open this position. So, let me see. Where are you located in the Netherlands? I'm from the Utrecht. Rover, thanks for the stream again. What are your thoughts on Cuddy? So, I will right away look into Cuddy, my friend. I mean, this coin, very low. Let me see what kind of information I have about this coin. We'll set up Fibonacci 2 because yeah, you can see clear swing high to clear swing high to swing low getting created here. So that's very nice if you see a clear swing high and clear swing low getting created, because then you can set up the Fibonacci 2 very, very easily. And yeah, right now setting up this Fibonacci 2, you can see very interesting, and the chart is a little bit lagging. I don't know why, yeah, because probably a lot of charts have to load in here. But I mean, if you look at this chart, you can see here really fighting on this Fibonacci level. And if you flipped it to the daily, this will show even more significance, because you can see no daily candle is closed above this 2.618 level, and you do want to close above this 2.618 level here on the daily time frame. So I mean, man, if you look to this chart, you really want to close above this 2.618 here before flipping insanely bullish and heading towards our 29 cents target here. So also we'll look at some Polkadot, at some more altcoins here, because I want to give you my thoughts about all these altcoins. And Polkadot also seeing a massive retracement right now coming in, guys. And also we're looking to this downward sloping resistance line already for a longer period of time. And I mean, if you right now look to this chart here, if you right now look to the sell off, you're also seeing approximately a sale of 31% here. So Polkadot also showing a very good buying opportunity right now. And once again, I mean, once we are hitting this level around here, $27, definitely going to open a position here on Polkadot. Definitely going to open a swing trade also on Polkadot. So once again, going to set this, let me see, going to set this alert here. So once we're hitting this level, I will keep you guys up to date, because probably going to open a position, but also depends on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing here. So we'll monitor all the charts live in the stream here. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe to the channel here, because we're doing this every single day here for you guys. So I mean, I'm looking forward to it already. And let's see also if we're going to reach a 21K here live stream. Will be of course also very amazing. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, you can right now subscribe to the channel. Will be of course very cool if you're doing so. But yeah, let's see where we are heading towards today. But I mean, yeah, looking to the Polkadot chart, I mean, definitely want to get a swing trade entry also. And if we're seeing this retracement to these lower levels around the, let's say, $27, definitely a good buying opportunity, definitely good long opportunity, because we will open the swing trade for Polkadot. And I mean, if we're even going to go back to the previous all-time high here, you're already seeing an increase of approximately 56% and 56% with a 4x leverage. Sorry. And 56% with the Forex leverage is already over 200% in profit. So, I mean, I'm looking forward to open this swing trade here, and probably you guys as well. So we'll monitor this chart live with you guys. We'll definitely monitor this live in the stream. Oh, this is it's green, so you can see through it. So that's pretty weird. So. Is Polkadot similar to ADA? I mean, Polkadot is showing less strength than ADA. So right now, yeah, you can see this decrease in price of approximately, let's say, 30% here on Polkadot. And ADA is not seeing this decrease from the top side, only 10%. So, I mean, ADA is showing more strength in the charts compared to US dollar. But, I mean, Polkadot also definitely getting a good possibility to open a position here once you're heading towards the 27 US dollars. Definitely a good opportunity. And people are saying, XRP, should I buy XRP right now? I should be very careful with buying XRP right now. Of course, you're seeing this retracement coming in here, but if you want to get into crypto, at least do your research, and then you probably will figure out that you don't really want to necessarily buy into XRP. And if you really want to buy into these financial project, you can maybe look at oh, I was saying it wrong. You can maybe look at the Stellar Lumens here, because also we see a lot of people saying Stellar Lumens right now in the chat. And guys, if you really want to get, if you like the project of, if you really like the project here of Ripple here, you maybe want to look a little bit here more to the project of Stellar Lumens, because Stellar Lumens is also giving you a very good sell-off here. You're seeing this decrease in price of approximately 38% from the top side. That's an insane decrease in price. And yeah, of course, you got wrecked if you bought at the top, but if you're just going to hold strong, you're definitely going to still make some profits. So I mean, also giving you a very good buying opportunity here. If you really want to step into this Stellar Lumens coin, of course, definitely right now good opportunity here. Right now it's still fighting against the Fibonacci resistance level, so maybe we're getting pushed even lower here. So we'll have to wait and see where we're heading towards. But I mean, we can definitely go lower towards the 0.33 US dollars. So 33 cents here can definitely be reachable for Stellar Lumens. But if you're here to hold, definitely you're getting this huge sale here. And if you're going to hold, I mean, definitely don't time the market here. You're already getting a sale of 40%. Do you want to wait for a sale of 42%? No, you definitely want to buy in already. And of course, no financial advice here. But I mean, once again, giving you a very good buying opportunity here if you look to Stellar Lumens. And guys, thank you so much for liking the video. 850 likes here, guys. Let's see if we're going to reach it to. Let's see if we're going to reach 1,000 likes. Would be amazing. Also, first video with the face cam would be very nice if we can reach it, of course. And yeah, would be very cool if we can do so, of course. So let's see if we're going to smash with the likes. And you guys will be helping me out completely for free. So that will be, of course, very nice here. So let's see what you guys have for me. What is your opinion on staking coins? It's a very good thing here. Definitely going to stake also in the bear market. So staking coins is a very good thing here. So if you're doing it right now, of course, you're doing a good job here. Also, staking Cardano is very interesting. So of course, I will look to be staking also here in the bear market at least. So guys, I see heading towards 1,000 likes. You guys are insane here. Always once I'm telling you guys, we are seeing this very interesting price action. Sorry, very interesting like button going higher and higher. And yesterday I also saw the S&P 500 drop off a little bit here. So I mean, this can also have a little bit of confluence with Bitcoin, because sometimes once the S&P 500 is dropping here, you see Bitcoin also dropping here. So that's also a very interesting thing to watch here. And maybe some people that are in the classic stocks here, you can see. You see GameStop, I'm just quickly going to say this real quickly. GameStop here going higher here, and then see a major correction here. So please be careful with these classic stocks from Wall Street bets here. Please be careful. And if you really want to invest your money and you really want to be profitable, definitely crypto is the place to be here, guys. Crypto is the place to be here. So I mean, I'm looking forward to it, of course. I'm looking forward to it. So do you think Bitcoin will go to 45K here? Still reachable. 45K is definitely not definitely reachable here in the coming hours. Definitely probably going to see another dump here, in my opinion. I don't think the dump is yet over, so still anticipating another dump here. And guys, don't think that I'm bearish. I'm only being real with you guys. Only think. I'm right now only saying what I do think what is probably likely to happen here, because we want to open this swing trade here. So not rushing into anything. And Cardano, young guys. Cardano is once again going higher, and already want to enter the swing trade earlier, but still going to wait for a minor retracement period. But Cardano is showing a lot of strength. Bitcoin finally doing nothing, and then you can see Cardano absolutely blasting off there to the upside. And of course, already holding Cardano, so already making some good gains here. But I do want to get an entry here for a swing trade, because I still think Cardano can really go to the moon here in the coming weeks there, and especially once Bitcoin is finally cooling off here. You can see already Cardano holding up so strong here compared to Bitcoin, and everyone is saying Cardano in the chat. And guys, I already watching Cardano right now. I mean, Cardano is showing a lot of strength here, like you guys already know here, and getting very close to the all-time high. $1.40 is the previous all-time high. And guys, you have to know I'm loving Cardano as well here. $1.08 right now, 9 cents. Whoa, it's $1.10, guys. Absolutely insane increase, and already wanted to enter the swing trade earlier, but right now already 7% profit if I should have entered it. But I did want to enter it live in the stream, because otherwise maybe a lot of people were not notified about this. So we'll try and do the next time once I'm seeing this opportunity, I will definitely take it right away here, and I'll keep you guys up to date. But already having a swing trade open here also on my private account. My private account is right now on Bybit, trading on Bybit, also against USD Tether. So yeah, if you want to sign up also I mean, if you want to sign up for Famex, you can find it in the description here. If you want to sign up with Bybit, you can also find it in the description. It will be very nice if you're using my referral links, because then you will be supporting the channel here completely for free. I mean, yeah, it will be just very lovely if you're doing it, of course. And yeah, it's not necessarily, you don't necessarily have to do it, of course, but it will be helping me out, of course, because we will be looking for this opportunity all together, live in the stream here, of course. live in the stream will be looking for this opportunity here. Also trading on Bitcoin. Once we are hitting these lower levels here around the 42.1k, definitely once again good buying opportunity. And guys, look at Cardano. Look at Cardano. It's smashing through the $1.10 here, heading towards $1.11 here. I mean, this is absolutely insane. Already want to enter it, but going to take it a little bit slow here. And Bitcoin also decreasing in price a little bit here. And Cardano is still showing a lot of strength compared to Bitcoin, guys. This is insane. This is insane. We are witnessing this all together. And by the way, hitting the 20.9k subscribers. Thank you so much. We're smashing up these subscribers so fast here. And we are witnessing this price action of Cardano today here, and also 100 subscribers away from the 21k. So definitely going to reach it today here probably. And also, yeah, $1.11 here, guys. You guys are all loving Cardano in the chat, and I'm loving the same here. I'm loving the same here. I'm loving it as well here. So I mean, yeah, $1.11. Really want to look for an opportunity right now. Hopefully we're going to see another retracement here coming in here, because once we're seeing a retracement, definitely going to open a position here. But I mean, it's getting less and less likely that we're going to go this low for Cardano, of course. Definitely getting less and less likely. And Bitcoin also dropping off below the 46k right now, so it's getting very interesting because we are seeing very interesting price action right now. 88 upgrade will be coming the 1st of March. So there's also a lot of hype around ADA, and that's also yeah, part of my my feeling is just saying that I do want to get this entry here, because also the hype around it, and also I do think it can be pretty profitable here. Cardano doesn't follow Bitcoin, and yeah, you're right here. It doesn't follow Bitcoin right now, and probably not going to follow Bitcoin anytime soon here. At least for the coming week here. And also that this weekend will be a very good weekend here, in my opinion, for the price action of Cardano. So let me see. And yeah, of course, Ethereum once again not showing strength here, and Cardano is just blasting off. Let's look at the ADA compared to Bitcoin. And yeah, oh guys, this is very interesting, because if you look to Cardano compared to Bitcoin, very interesting candle. Finally seeing this this resistance target getting cleared in. Of course, the 4-hourly candle hasn't closed yet, guys. You have to know that. And I'm sorry, but the 4-hourly candle hasn't closed yet here, so we still have to wait a little bit longer till we're going to see this 4-hourly candle close here for ADA. But ADA compared to Bitcoin right now is showing a lot of strength here. If I look to the chart, I mean, yeah, finally breaking this 1.272 level here. So this is a very crucial level here for Cardano compared to Bitcoin. And if you flip this to the daily, guys, I know for sure once I'm setting up this Fibonacci tool in the bigger picture here. If I look to this chart right now, guys, this is very interesting. Because I know if I look at the chart right now on the daily, we're also breaking this first Fibonacci level in the Bitcoin compared to Cardano chart. And this level is very crucial right now. This level is very crucial. So if we're going to see a daily candle close above this level, guys, this will only signify that we're going to see more and more blast off here for Cardano compared to Bitcoin. And I was already telling you guys, Cardano is very strong here for the coming week, and also the coming weekend probably very strong for Cardano. But please be careful also. But if you're just buying in and holding, definitely a good buy right now, definitely a good hold right now, because I do think Cardano is ready to explode here. And let me see, Brucey, you donated £2 here, and you're saying morning from Scotland. Could you take a look at hold? And I will definitely look at hold in a second here. But I mean, if we're really going to close the daily candle for Cardano here above this 0.236 level, this can signify that we're probably going to go higher, and probably going to go higher from here on. And I mean, the next Fibonacci target will be still an increase of 50% here, and that can be very significant increase in price here, guys. And Cardano is just showing so much strength here compared to Bitcoin, and what is making me feel, of course, also the alt season coming closer and closer, and the alts will explode anytime soon here. You have to know it, but Cardano looking very strong here in the immediate short term, so I'm looking forward to see Cardano explode here. And right away we'll look into HOT here. But I mean, yeah, you see this chart, Cardano compared to Bitcoin, very strong, and you always want to look to the comparisons of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you know also Cardano compared to Ethereum looking massive strong here. So we'll look into HOT for you, Bruce, here at the technicals, because I cannot give you any fundamental thoughts here about the chart. But I mean, if you look to the technicals here, right now it's playing against resistance, the 4.236 here extension level, very interesting extension level, of course. Right now acting as resistance, and This chart already seeing a huge run up, not the most beautiful chart here, to be honest. But if I look to the chart right now, you can see getting this rejection in from the 4.236 level. And I mean, definitely looking for this correction probably coming in here. It also depends on Bitcoin because these coins are highly correlated with Bitcoin. So do want to see what Bitcoin is doing as well here. But I mean, the 4.236 here will definitely act as resistance here. So right now trading against this level, and it also depends on how this 4-hourly candle will close here. But I mean, if you look to this chart right now, probably you're looking for a rejection coming in here anytime soon. So I mean, I'm looking forward to this coin, how this will end here. But in my opinion, it's more likely for Holo right now to see this correction coming in here. Wait, yeah, this Holo. Yeah, I'm looking at the right chart. So it's more likely to see correction coming in here. Once again, trading against Fibonacci level, and also being pretty overextended already. Probably if you look to the daily, daily is cooling off finally. Weekly still very overextended. Monthly. It's still looking good here. So this coin is probably looking for some kind of a cool off period, some kind of a sideways action for this coin will be very nice here, just to cool off the indicators, and then finally you can continue higher once again here. So let's see how this will go here, of course, for this coin. So let's see how this will go here for this coin. And people are once again saying Cardano pumping, and yes, Cardano is once again pumping, guys. I cannot believe my eyes here. I cannot believe what I'm seeing. I'm getting another super chat here. And I will enable slow chat real quickly here once again, because otherwise we're getting this. Let me see. Like this. That's good. So let's see. Hike, you donated as well, $5 US. So thank you for your super chat here. You are saying, remember synthetic, still holding strong. It's Blockstack, sorry. STX is not synthetic. So Blockstack, still remember Blockstack? Yes, I definitely still remember this coin. Also enabled slow chat because then we can look a little bit better into the request here from you guys. So I mean, if I look to this coin, yeah, we were watching this coin a long period ago already, and I mean, not long period, I think it was 2 or 3 days ago here. So I mean, yeah, you can see resistance line getting formed here, and right now seeing this drop off from the all-time high here, what is of course very likely to see. And people are saying Cardano to the moon, and yeah, I see Cardano sitting around $1.14. This is insane, guys. This is insane, and we will look for the opportunity in a second, and also look into Chainlink for you guys in a second, because Chainlink will definitely want to get this entry position for Chainlink in here, because I do think Chainlink can show a lot of strength also, and Polkadot as well. So I do want to get this entries in on these coins here. But I mean, Polkadot heading towards $30. So we'll look into these coins in a second here, guys. But I mean, it also depends on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is right now doing here. But I mean, if I look to this chart here, Blockstack, yeah, probably finding support around the 4.236 here. But if we're going to see another retracement here, I mean, you know, this resistance target was very acting as resistance previously, and probably will act as very significant support here. So I mean, I shouldn't be scared to see another retracement coming in here. But once you're hitting this line, definitely a good buying opportunity, because will most likely act as very significant support here. So looking forward to hit this target already, and it will still be a decrease of approximately, let me see, approximately 13%. So I mean, I will be looking forward to buy if you really want to buy into Blockstack here. Really would giving you a very good buying opportunity once you're heading towards the 84 cents here. So we will keep you guys up to date here. And also, Little Blue Elephant, thank you for your $5 Australian donation. You're saying, Crypto Rover, lovely to see your face. Can you look at Polkadot and comment on BNB where you can? And then you were saying the Apple here, so yeah, definitely going to take a bite of Apple anytime soon here, guys. So I mean, yeah, definitely I want to look at Dot here, and I mean, already willing to look at Dot just a minute ago here. But I mean, yeah, Dot is looking very strong here, and I do really want to get this entry in here also for Dot. Also setting my price alert here, because I do think once we're hitting this Fibonacci level once again here, one of the most best opportunities to open a position here on Polkadot. And also Bitcoin increased on approximately $500 in the last minutes here. So Bitcoin pumping, Cardano pumping, and a lot of coins are right now pumping here. So let's see if we're going to create a new higher high for Cardano. And Cardano right now seeing this major green candle on the 1 hourly. Very nice to see. And also the volume is not all too high. So there's basically not a lot of sellers here in Cardano. But I mean, look at the Polkadot. Probably heading towards trading against resistance once again here, around the $30.30 here. So I mean, be careful with opening a long position right now here in Polkadot, and also with Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going to reverse? Dot will be dragged along the way here. So please take it with caution. Please take it careful here once you're willing to open a position right now in Polkadot. But once we are hitting this Fibonacci level around here, around the, let's see, $27 here, and I think, yeah, it's over here. I never tried this before, but it's over here. So if you're going to open this position right away here with Polkadot, I mean, we're going to open this together because we want to get some entries for some swing trades here. And definitely once we're hitting the $27.04, we will be looking for this opportunity to open a position here on Polkadot. So also we'll look at BNB for you in a second here. And also still this downward sloping resistance line. We have to be careful for this line for Polkadot because this is acting as very significant resistance already for a longer period of time here. And yeah. I also looked at BNB just a while ago here, and you can see BNB downward sloping resistance line flipping into support. Very nice, and my head is a little bit in front of it, so I will get out of the way here. But I mean, yeah, if you look at this, looking very strong here, you can see this downward sloping resistance line getting formed, and I mean, downward sloping resistance line getting formed. Sorry, I had to react real quickly to this message. Downward sloping resistance line getting formed here, and also, in the end of the day, we were finding resistance, and the resistance was flipping into support on this line. So, I mean, looking very strong. Also discussed this just 1 hour ago already, once we were starting the stream here. And I can see only live for 43 minutes yet. It feels like that we are already live for 4 hours or so. I don't know what I'm saying, but I mean, yeah, we were already watching to BNB a while ago here, and we already told you guys, yeah, we're right now flipping this resistance into support, so it was a very good buying opportunity if you bought over there, and probably looking for some new higher highs getting created, but still creating, we are right now creating a higher low if you look to this chart, but still creating a lower high if you look to this. So they really want to reverse the trend right now and maybe create a new higher high here, but maybe you're forming some kind of W structure. So let's see how this will play out, and maybe we can see something like this play out here, and we'll definitely give us some more trading opportunities here. I mean, we will keep an eye out on BNB because BNB, of course, a pretty large cap altcoin, and we will definitely look into it. And guys, by the way, I have to give someone a quick shout out here in the chat. If you go to the description and if you go to this link of the designer the Fiverr designer link, this is Luca Autowijk. He is also a moderator in our Discord server, but he helped me out building all these very interesting graphics here on the stream here. You can see he built this this layer below me. Very nice. Oh, sorry. So, I mean, definitely big shout out to him. And if you want to check him out, it will be very nice here. You can find him here on Fiverr. If you have some questions, you can definitely go over to his page. Just contact him. I mean, big shout out to him. He is really helping me out. So, he also designed my logo. So, I mean, I'm looking forward to see him grow also a little bit here on Fiverr. So, if you want to make something and you really need something, someone to make your products here, to graphic design something for you, he will definitely be the one who can design something for you. So, big shout out to Luca here. But yeah, let's go right away back in the charts here. You can see Bitcoin increasing in price here. Still bullish divergence, still valid here. But Little Blue Elephant, still thank you for your donation. I hope I discussed your... oh, I see everyone saying Elon tweet. Sorry. I was not watching the chat. Well, right away go to Twitter here, because if Elon tweeted something, it would be very interesting. Maybe he is tweeting something what can push the price higher and higher for Bitcoin. So let me see. Do Androids dream of electric cars? Yeah, this was definitely the tweet where he was talking about. I mean, do androids dream of electric cars? I mean, not really a crypto-related tweet here, to be honest. Everyone's saying, I even tweeted, and it's still ADA is still pumping here, guys. This is insane to see, But yeah, we'll definitely look into some opportunities here for the Bitcoin price also, and also for the altcoins here. So definitely looking for opportunity here to open a position. Definitely looking for an opportunity to open a position. Definitely looking for this position. I'll take a quick buy of Apple. Apple car, no Android car, no Android car. I'm a huge Apple fan, as you can see over here. Also, just more liking Apple here, so of course it's just a personal thing. But yeah, Elon is just joking around with everyone. It will fall to $1 again. I don't think it's really likely to see ADA suffering so much. 13% of the downside is not very likely. Should I take a short? I would be careful with shorting right now, man. Be careful. I'm still anticipating another leg down here, of course, but I mean, don't open a short here because it's probably getting wrecked. Apple time, yes. Yes, definitely apple time. So we'll have, of course, take some buy some apples, because always getting hungry and apples are the best here. Does the apple means buy? No, it's definitely not a buy signal once I'm eating an apple here. Because I mean, the apples are really helping out here. I mean, they're really helping out here. Red apples are very bullish. Maybe I have to get a green apple because these red apples are maybe giving us a sell signal here. But if I have a green apple, you can literally see through it because it's a green screen and the green apple doesn't really work here. And I think red apples are better. They are better. And yeah, guys, by the way, having only 22 likes away from the 1100 likes would be amazing if we can reach it. Would be so cool. And also, let's see how much subscribers we're away from it. We're only 20 subscribers away from the 21k here, so it would be also a very amazing goal if we can reach it as well here in live in the stream right away here. But yeah, Bitcoin seeing the volatility getting created from this bullish divergence. Bitcoin seeing the volatility getting created from this bullish divergence. And Thomas Basio also donated, and you're saying 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. Very nice quote here. But I mean, that's completely true here. You have to be healthy, guys. Please eat an apple every day. I mean, apples are the best. So Boxbox also donated €5, and you're saying, could you please have a look at LBC, Liberty, and ODC video site? So you're basically referring to these video platforms of crypto, and I know Liberty. You can stream your crypto on Liberty. I mean, we can stream our streams on Liberty. It's a very interesting platform, of course. The platform is growing rapidly. I personally think this coin is underappreciated. So Boxbox, I know Liberty. Was also looking into it, and also was maybe thinking of going live also on Liberty. So I mean, yeah, you can see right now for there's not a lot of information here if you look at the coin to the trading view chart here. Let's see, where's Liberty right now sitting if you look to coin market cap? Because I was looking to Liberty, I was sitting around $1. It was not $1. That was a while ago. So if I look at the last 3 months here, because I was looking to this coin a while ago, and I'm very glad I didn't bought into it because yeah, you can see a massive decrease in price coming in here. But I mean, of course, right now still giving you a good opportunity to buy into it. And this coin is very, very interesting because you can go to the site liberty.tv and you can really see streams here. You can donate with crypto, so it's a pretty interesting project, of course. And I mean, yeah, very, very interesting what they are doing. They're trying to build some kind of platform like Twitch, some kind of platform like YouTube, but then you can donate with Liberty credits. So I mean, very, very interesting what they are doing here. So trying to build a community also. And I mean, yeah, the chart is really hard to analyze because not seeing a lot of information. But yeah, I mean, it's a very, very good coin here, and maybe it's a little bit unappreciated here. And of course, I definitely know from it, and maybe have to do something more with it in the coming days and coming weeks here. Because yeah, maybe we can definitely also stream Liberty to engage this platform a little bit more, because we want to push this crypto community worldwide here, of course. And also, Emil, you donated £2 here, and you're saying, what do you think about IQ and BitTorrent? We'll look at IQ for you. And I mean, what do I think about it? Very hard to say what I think about this coin. I mean, there are a lot of IQs, man. There are both 2 coins which are called IQ. So, which coin are you meaning? Which coin are you meaning? But yeah, I mean, yeah, this coin you can see really creating higher highs, creating higher lows. I mean, the structure is already very strong here for this coin. If we look to the chart right away here, and I mean, very hard to set up some kind of technicals here because this coin is just pumping and dumping here, and I mean, not seeing a lot of significance in this coin. But yeah, I mean, definitely a buying opportunity if you really want to go into this coin here. But I mean, because you're right now seeing the retracement and you're still creating this horizontal, you're still holding this horizontal level here. And I mean, yeah, let's see how this will continue for this coin here. You're still holding this horizontal level, so yeah, let's see what this coin will go towards. But I mean, I don't really know the fundamentals. I'm really hard to say what I think about this coin without thinking about the fundamentals. But yeah, BitTorrent, I can look at BitTorrent real quickly here. BitTorrent right now giving you a very good buying opportunity here. If you look to the, you're right now getting a very good buying opportunity. If you look to the Fibonacci level here, 0.618 here, very good buying opportunity. And I mean, definitely a position, if you want to get exposed to BitTorrent, definitely a position where you can get exposed to BitTorrent. And I mean, yeah, Cardano, I still want to look at this coin. I just opened the 1 hourly candle, by the way, 1 minute ago. So let's see how this next 1 hourly candle will go here for Cardano as well here. But BitTorrent, yeah, right now just trading around to 0.618 here. So let's see if we're going to find a supportive bounce from here on. It will be, of course, very amazing if we can see that. So yeah, we will keep an eye out on this chart here. And let's see where we are heading towards. And yeah, definitely getting a buying opportunity right now. And Jonathan also donated here €5, and you're saying, what do you think about EGLD here? So we'll go quickly into this coin. And EGLD, of course, I have multiple charts of EGLD, and EGLD is, of course, I find it a very interesting thing here because a lot of people are saying EGLD, etc., and they're really, really bullish about it. And it's hard for me to say what I really think about this coin. Right now sitting, forming some kind of a descending triangle here. You have 3 touches here, so I mean, it can be a valid pattern here, and you can see a pretty significant outbreak here. Once we break to the upside, of course, just about to set a new all-time high here. I mean, if we're going to break to the downside, it will be very bearish here for EGLD here, and we can really set very low prices here, and it is not even possible to break to the downside because then we will go in below 0, and that's not possible, of course. So let's see if we're going to see a breakout here for EGLD here, forming some kind of a descending triangle, but maybe also forming some kind of a flag here, and that we are in this parallel channel to the downside. More scenarios right now can play out here for EGLD here. And what do you think about it? Don't really know the fundamentals here, so very hard to say here. And the real Knight Rider also donated €2, and you're saying, what do you think, Apple or Android? And definitely Apple, definitely Apple. Not only because I like apples, but also that I like their products of Apple. So also getting another super chat from Thomas, and Thomas, you donated, and thank you for your donation here. Thank you for your support of super chat here. So yeah, very hard to say what EGL is going to do right now, but yeah, right now still trading between that channel. And Bitcoin also created, of course, a new 1 hourly candle. And guys, you have to know, still 2 more hours before we're going to close this 4 hourly candle, and we are going to witness this all together here. By the way, today or next week, my own crypto rover, yeah, glasses are coming as well here. So going to drink out of my own glass here. So that's pretty funny. So I have my own mug with Crypto Rover logo on it. So I mean, I'm looking forward to have my own mug here. And people still saying Cardano in the chat. Yeah, Cardano is still crushing it, but right now seeing this minor correction here. I mean, it would be very nice if we're going to see this correction, guys, because we still want to enter a trade here on Cardano. We still want to open this. Swing trade here on Cardano, guys. So it would be very cool if we can get this entry in right now, because yeah, I really want to see this retracing coming in, because once we're seeing retracing, once we are seeing Cardano retracing, we are giving another opportunity here to open maybe this position on Cardano. And it also a little bit depends, of course, on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing here. Bitcoin also flipping red here. So let's see where Bitcoin is heading towards. Let's see where Bitcoin is heading towards. And by the way, 15 likes away from the 1.2k likes. And by the way, if I refresh, hitting 21k subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Absolutely insane that you guys are subscribing here. So I'm loving it, of course. And let's see where we are heading towards. And I don't have to go far away from a microphone here, because if we're going far away from a microphone, you guys probably don't hear me very well here. But I mean, if I look to the chart here right now, 21k. To the chart, I mean, if I look at my subscriber count here, 21k here. Thank you so much, guys. You are legends. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say here. We're going to ride this journey all together here, and I mean, I'm looking forward to it. And people, please don't spam in the chat here. And 1k likes, congrats. Yeah, thank you so much for the 1k like, congratulations there. So yeah, 1.2k likes already. So yeah, going very quickly here with the likes as well here. Going very quickly with the likes. So thank you so much for supporting here. And Boxbox once again here. Don't use Liberty TV, but use ODC. That is the new user interface. Liberty is the old one. Oh, I did not know that. ODC. Is that also a coin here? ODC. So let me look real quickly here. Oh, this is oh, okay. Sorry, man. Sorry, Bucks, that I said it wrong here. But oh, is this the new interface? That's pretty. Yeah, this is looking already a little bit better here, because the previous interface of Liberty.tv was not all too nice in my opinion. But this is already looking way better here. So very exciting. But can you pay with Liberty credits on this? This is pretty. It will be very cool, of course. Will be very, very cool here. But yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. Definitely want to get exposed to these coins. I mean, you want to get exposed to every single factor here in the cryptocurrency space. You want to get exposed to all kinds of sectors in the cryptocurrency space. So definitely, this is also a very good sector to get exposed to. Definitely a good sector to get exposed to. Notice the website. Yeah, I see it already. I'm already there. But there, of course, is a little bit of latency in between us. Someone's saying 2 minutes for the next ADA boost. So would be, of course, very cool if we're going to see it. Would be very cool. But I mean, of course, we would like to see the retracement. At least I would like to see the retracement because I want to enter this swing trade here on Cardano. But then I still have to wait a little bit longer here till we're going to see this retracement coming in. Because once we're seeing this retracement coming in here, I will get the opportunity to open the swing trade. And also getting a donation from Dirty B4N4N4. You donate €5, so thank you for your donation. And I will right away look into your donation. Do have to get it up here on the screen. So, very nice, of course, for your support of the nation. So I will right away look into it, my friend. So you're saying, let me see. Hey Dan, I have 4K left on the trading challenge. Missed the first trade and lost on the others. Should I switch it to USD? USD to BTC on Femex to maybe gain if it goes up again. Also, could you look at the daily for Agur? Okay, I'm not going to pronounce it. By the way, it's Dirty Banana. Oh, sorry. Dirty Banana. Thank you for your donation. And for the next time, I know your name, man. Dirty Banana. Thank you for your support of the donation once again here. And for the 4K challenge, for the 5K challenge, of course, it's very unfortunate that you missed out on the first trade here. But for the next trade, we will be looking for some swing trades to open a longer position here. And probably because the market is right now going down here, want to get a position here that we're going to hold it for a longer period of time here, because I think that's a very good strategy here if we're going to hold a swing trade. So right now, we're definitely looking for some swing trade opportunities here. So, I mean, I'm looking forward, of course, to open this swing trade here. And yeah, of course, you can definitely hold it on Bitcoin right now to gain some more interest here. But I mean, we are right now looking to open a swing trade on Cardano, on Chainlink, and maybe also on Ethereum. So I mean, and definitely keep an eye out on the channel here. And Dirty Banana, once again for your support. Once again, thank you for your support of the nation. But I mean, we will be looking for a swing trade entry. So that is the strategy that at least I want to use. Right now, you're also saying, can you please check? I'm not going to pronounce it. I'm not going to pronounce it because I'm going to do it once again. Very wrong here. So I mean, this coin very good. You can also buy a crypto on it, and I mean, very interesting project. Also performing, you can see performing very, very good here for the last weeks, especially because you could have bought this coin at, let's see, you could have bought it at 20 cents or so, right now sitting around $6.61. So if you bought it, insane increase. GG, you're doing a very good job here. Just if I look just to this chart, I mean, really want to see this retracement coming in here to this supportive line here to the upside. And once we're getting this supportive line touched here, if we're getting a touch of the supportive line, would be definitely a good position to open a long trade here on Fourier on this coin. And I mean, of course, you can open a long position, but also you want to get exposed to this coin because I do think this is definitely a coin that still has huge potential here for the coming bull run. And I'm not trying to fool you guys. This is my own opinion. I'm also keep your money where your mouth is. So also me exposed to this coin. So definitely a big hold for the bull market. And definitely once we are hitting this supportive line here once again, it would be definitely a very good buying opportunity. And also, of course, right now getting a resistance by the top side and maybe forming some kind of a ascending triangle structure here. And we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. So keep an eye out on this chart. And Patrick also donated €2. And you're saying, Patrick, thoughts on VeChain. And I will right away look at VeChain here for you. Of course, it's very important what my thoughts, of course, also are on VeChain. So let me see. You're creating right now this double top here on the top side. So first of all, 3.618 is acting as very significant resistance here. This is right now sitting around approximately 6 cents here, 5.9 cents here. And you can see 2 wicks on the top side. So it's basically saying to me, okay, we are getting a rejection from the top side. And we are right now getting rejected and right now going lower. And also Bitcoin, of course, and the other altcoins are right now moving to the downside. And that's also the reason why VeChain is following. Because VeChain is right now also following a little bit Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is going to chill out here for a second, we're definitely going to see... if Bitcoin is going to chill out for a second here, these altcoins will most likely take off here. And VeChain will be one that also will take off here. And I know a lot of big companies are collaborating with VeChain, so such companies like BMW and some more big companies. So, I mean, definitely the fundamentals are looking strong here. I don't know the exact fundamentals here of VeChain, but I mean, yeah, VeChain also a very good coin. Of course, cannot give you all my thoughts here about the fundamental data because I cannot do my research live here in the stream. But I mean, yeah, definitely once we're reaching this yellow line, definitely a good buying opportunity. And yellow line also already through this a long period ago here, and you can see. Here, there was approximately the 23rd of February, also giving you this opportunity to open this position here on VeChain. And also, okay, let me see, it was also another donation to Australian dollars from Jersey, and you're saying, can you check out the Venom chart? And of course, Venom, yeah, let's see what Venom will do here. And of course, Venom absolutely exploding here for the last, if you right now look at 4 hourly candles, Venom absolutely exploding here for the last period of time here. And Cardano still doing a pretty okay job here. But I mean, yeah. Fandom absolutely exploding here to the upside. Exponential growth here for Fandom. So, I mean, looking very strong here if you look to this chart. And you can see parallel channel having this retest right on breaking to the upside here. And it's very hard to spot some kind of resistance and support levels because this chart is just exponentially growing here. And maybe I can set up a Fibonacci tool once I'm using it like this here. But then I can, of course, spot some resistance levels. And it's actually working pretty okay here, by the way, if I look to this chart. But I mean, for now on 4.618, very strong resistance, and also the 2.618 acting as very significant support. So for now, on still good buying opportunity around the 52 US dollars. 0.52 US dollars. So 52 cents here will be definitely a good buying opportunity. And let's see, Anthony, thank you for your 10 US dollar donation. Absolutely legend for donating here. Yeah, thank you. I'm very grateful for you supporting the channel here. If you have any questions here, make sure to drop them right now in the comment section. And yeah, thank you for once again supporting the channel here. And yeah, the 2.618, yeah, very significant support level. So yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to where this coin will end here, of course. And always multitasking here. So yeah, let me see. Also, we'll take maybe a little bit laughing behind. Yeah, probably you guys don't know what it is. Sorry. But yeah, I mean, Cardano right now is still looking very strong to want to open this position, of course, with the swing trade, but still taking it slow here because we're still anticipating this drop-off for Bitcoin. Still anticipating this drop-off for Bitcoin. We are saying that probably Bitcoin will head towards the 42.1k here. I mean, that will be the next major support level that we are watching. That will be the major support level that we are watching. Anthony, you are saying, what do you think about Zilliqa? So I will look at Zilliqa, Anthony, because Anthony, you're a legend. So Zilliqa, what do I think about Zilliqa? Definitely we'll look into Zilliqa. And if I first flip this to the 1 hourly candles, by the way, you can see some kind of a symmetrical triangle playing out here. But yeah, of course, probably because of Bitcoin or Ethereum freaking out by then. You can see not really playing out very good here because you're first... We're seeing a clear breakout to the top side. Then you saw the retest coming in of the previous resistance, flipping into support, but then still we broke to the downside here. What was very bad, of course, for Zilliqa, because you would expect that this coin breaking to the upside out of this symmetrical triangle, and then it will probably continue even further to the upside. But right now, not seeing really this continuation farming here once we were breaking out of the symmetrical triangle. Of course, not maybe the most beautiful pattern, but I mean, it was looking like a clear symmetrical triangle. So very unfortunate that we didn't reach our price target around the 18 cents here. And instead of going to the upside, we went to the downside here. And you see Zilliqa here. If you look to this chart here, you can maybe see right now that we are forming some kind of reversal pattern. We're creating here first in a lower time frame, some kind of a W. Very nice here. Maybe we're forming in a bigger time frame right now, also in W. So let's see where we're going towards with Zilliqa, because I'm looking, of course, forward to see this insane gains coming in for Zilliqa. And you have this horizontal resistance line here. getting formed. If you look to this horizontal resistance line, this will probably act as the neckline of this W structure. So please be careful with trading Zilliqa right now, because you can get wrecked pretty significantly. But I mean, once we're breaking this line here, probably will flip very bullish here once again. But it also depends on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, yeah, right now moving to the downside. Yeah, very risky to get very bullish on this coin. And I mean, thoughts are very good, but I don't really know the fundamentals worth of this coin Zilliqa. But I mean, yeah, right now, if you look to the market structure, if you look to the technical analysis, giving you a very good buying opportunity right now. Definitely, if you look to the top where we first were, if you're buying from the top where we are right now, approximately sell 33%. So you're getting a very nice sale here. So definitely a good buying opportunity right now. Definitely a good buying opportunity for Zilliqa. But 1 hourly candle right now flipping red here for Bitcoin. Right now flipping red here for Bitcoin. So looking forward, of course, to see this 1 hourly candle getting going lower here, because we want to get these entries in. And also for Cardano, because Cardano is also a little bit cooling off here, because of course this previous 1 hourly candle was insanely bullish. Of course, still can flip this candle in the green here, because still 42 minutes left here in the 1 hourly candle. But I mean, we want to get an entry in on Cardano here. So it would be, for us at least, very nice if we're going to see a retracement coming in for Cardano. Because we want to open this the swing trade here in Cardano on Femex. And you can use my Femex referral link already to set up your account. You can also use my Bybit referral link if you want to day trade as well on Bybit. It would be, of course, very nice if you're using my referral links for supporting the channel. I mean, it would be definitely very nice if you're doing so. But of course, yeah, you can just decide yourself if you want to. And yeah, right now today, probably getting very, very good buying and a very good trading opportunity. So I mean, today is the day that we're probably going to open a very good trade here. Also opening the swing trade. I mean, I'm looking forward to it already. Diane, you're donated $3 and you're saying, XMR, want to buy and hodl. Wait for lower dollars. So thank you for your super chat. And I will look at this this coin for you, my friend. You want to buy the Monero here. You want to buy and hodl, and of course Monero, a very good project. Also Grayscale is putting the trust in Monero, was already a very good thing here, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, waiting for lower dollars. If you're saying that you want to buy and you want to hodl, and I mean, my friend, you have to know here. Always saying this to you guys. Once you are willing to buy and once you are willing to step into a coin and you're really going to hodl here for the long period of time, definitely why don't buy right now and just hodl. Why not buy right now and just hodl? Because definitely once you're buying right now, you're getting a very good opportunity to step into the market, and also you are. I mean, yeah, of course, you're getting the good opportunity, but if you're holding, you don't want to time the market. You see right now that you are getting this sale of approximately already 28%. And are you going to wait for the sale of approximately 34% or 35%? Of course, it will be the best opportunity here, but maybe you want to dollar cost average in to catch every entry here. But I mean, if you're buying to hodl, definitely buying right now, man. Already 28% decrease in price, definitely giving you a very good buying opportunity here. And of course, no financial advice here. You have to make your own decisions at the chart. But if I look at the chart right now, it's giving you a very good buying opportunity. Giving you a very good buying opportunity. And still 21k, guys. This is absolutely insane here. And I see only 40 subscribers away from 21.1k. I mean, we're getting closer. And yeah, let's see if we're going to reach the 30k anytime soon here. I mean, we're growing so quickly here, so would like to see it, of course. And yeah, I'm very curious where we are heading towards here with the Bitcoin price. Because yeah, the Bitcoin price is very interesting right now. And yeah, Monero, definitely a good buying opportunity right now. Definitely a good buying opportunity. Let me see. At Cryptocurrencies, are you also a DJ? Loads of Dutch people are DJs. I'm not a DJ. And I see, oh, my cam just freeze there. That is pretty weird. That is pretty weird. Why? I don't know why it's freeze. So I just got a new camera here, and still everything is. I'm still figuring out everything, but maybe this is a minor issue. But I fixed it already. 30k party in Utrecht. I mean, can definitely do it. We can definitely do a meeting anytime soon here. So I'm looking forward to it, of course. Probably also going to move out here in the coming 3 months here to some other places. Going to discover the world here, and maybe going to move to Dubai or to a different place here. So yeah, guys, we're going to ride this journey all together here. So yeah, I see cam is frozen. Fixed it already, so it was really weird. I don't know what it is. So guys, it should be fixed right now once again here. And by the way, 1,251 likes here, guys. Only 49 likes away from the 1,300 likes. So it will be amazing if we're reaching this 1,300 likes. Will be absolutely amazing, of course. Always drinking enough water. Stay hydrated, guys. Stay hydrated. And otherwise, my throat cannot handle it because sometimes I get some throat issues there. So, Rover, you can look. You are looking like the young Armin van Buuren. Yeah, definitely. Would be of course very nice. He is a very good disc jockey. But yeah, I'm definitely going to look into the price here. And I mean, Ethereum is sitting this low, guys. This is insane. Ethereum is sitting around $1,471 where it was just sitting a couple days ago around $2,000. That is an insane decrease in price, of course. 25% is normal to see these decreases in prices, but I mean, it sounds so much here. And I see a lot of people also in the Discord server yesterday night, and for me at least yesterday night, because for me it was for me right now it's 11 a.m. here in the morning. But I mean, a lot of people I saw that were freaking out here in Discord. Should I sell my Bitcoin right now? Should I sell? Should I sell? And guys, please don't sell your Bitcoin. You're getting wrecked. Come to the Philippines. Yeah, one day I will. One day I definitely will. So I mean, if you look to Ethereum, yeah, you can see that this white line here around the $1,435 is acting as very significant support. And you know, $1,435 in this chart at least was the previous all-time high, of course. So I mean, looking forward to it to see this retracement once again coming in here, because once we're seeing a retracement, we're also getting an opportunity to open a position here. We're also getting this opportunity to open a position here. So yeah, I also definitely want to open a position here on Chainlink, but yeah, Chainlink also forming this downward sloping resistance line. Maybe get met anytime soon here. This is not the most beautiful one, but yeah, this is probably for the longer term. You're forming some kind of resistance line over here, because these are the lines that you do want to keep an eye out on. These are the lines for Chainlink at least that you do want to keep an eye out on. This line over here, by the way, already 3 touch points, so pretty likely to see a retracement coming in here on Chainlink. Once we're hitting this line here, I mean, definitely once we're hitting the $23.5 once again here, definitely looking for a buying opportunity here. So Vanessa, you donated here. Thank you for your donation. Thank you for your super chat. And you were saying, can you please look at IOTA? And I will definitely look at IOTA for you. Definitely will look at it. I cannot write here. I mean, if I look to IOTA, this chart is very interesting here. Of course, I will give you my thoughts on the technicals here. First of all, I already set up the Fibonacci line here. So also forming some kind of upward sloping support line. And once again, on the 4 hourly, also creating this downtrend. Multiple touch points right now. So, I mean, a very interesting price action what you're right now witnessing here on IOTA. You can see downward sloping resistance line getting formed here and already getting rejected multiple times here if you look at the 4 hourly time frame, and you are creating higher lows here. So basically it is saying to you that you're right now seeing this some kind of we are meeting some kind of apex here, so going to see a breakout either direction, move to the upside or to the downside. It will be likely to break to the upside because this trend is in general to the upside here. So we'll have to wait and see here what IOTA will do here. But we are coming closer to the apex, so going to see a breakout anytime soon here. So of course we are looking forward to see this breakout coming in here for IOTA, and probably going to not going to witness this live in the stream because we're right now looking to the 4 hourly time frame. So it's a little bit on a bigger time frame here. So probably going to break out here. In the coming, let's say, 12 to 16 hours here. So keep an eye out on this chart because IOTA is meeting the apex here and probably going to or break these downward sloping resistance line or break the support line. So it will be interesting what we are doing here. Will be very interesting. And Bitcoin still increasing in price here. 4 hour again, not going to close here. Also in 1 hour and 34 minutes. So we're going to witness this all together here. Steve, you donated €2, so thank you for your donation. You're saying a nice entry for Ren. What do you think? Thank you for the nice work, and thank you for your support of Super Chat here. So I will right away look into Ren. I will right away look into Ren here. And beautiful drawings here. We'll flip this to the 4-hourly candles. And I mean, if you look at the 1-hourly candles here on REN, you can see also downward sloping resistance line getting formed here. We'll remove this one real quickly. Downward sloping resistance line getting formed here. Also probably it can be if we flip this to the 4-hourly candle, this will be even more significance here. Show more significance. So I mean, getting multiple touches and multiple rejections here. Not the most beautiful resistance line, to be honest. Don't really like to set this up like this here. And I mean, if you look to REN, definitely want to look at some possibilities to open a position here. And yeah, if you look purely to the Fibonacci here, if you look only to the Fibonacci, the 1.618 will be acting as very strong support here. So if you're willing to open this trade here, you can definitely open the trade here once you're hitting the 87 cents here. Will be a very good position to open a trade. And definitely once you're hitting this level, you can really buy into this coin. And also if you're holding here, I mean, if you want to add some more here, if you're believing in the project, once hitting this 87 cents here, definitely a good buying opportunity. And you can see also the top side getting rejected by this Fibonacci level. First was acting as support, so here also acting as resistance. So I mean, yeah, definitely will be a very interesting level of resistance once we're meeting the $1.31 here, because this will act as a very significant resistance probably, and also just consolidating right now and having this downtrend getting formed here, creating lower highs, creating lower lows. So immediate short term not looking strong here, but probably once Bitcoin is reversing, these altcoins can also reverse to the upside once again here. And Nicholas, you're also donating. You're saying, what do you think? What are your thoughts on XRP? And I mean, XRP, of course, very interesting project here. But with the lawsuit, it can take so long till this lawsuit is done here. And you know, the bull run is only here for at maximum 8 months. Maximum 8 months here for this coming bull run. And I don't think that XRP will benefit this good from it. And probably it will go higher. It will go higher. But in my opinion, if you look to CoinMarketCap, it won't be in the top 10 here. If the bull run is finished, it won't be in the top 10 here, because institutions are not buying into it, and the institutions are buying into Cardano, institutions are buying into Polkadot, institutions are buying into Chainlink, but not in XRP anymore because of the lawsuit, etc. So please be careful with buying into XRP. I'm not believing in the project, I'm not holding it, and I don't think it's a good hold. But of course, no financial advisor. You have to make your own decisions here. And by the way, only 29 likes away from the 1300 likes. Will be amazing if we can reach it, of course, live in stream. Would be absolutely very cool if we can do so, of course. Would be very cool if we can do it. And yeah, also very close to the 21.1k subscribers here. Let me see. We're only 20 subscribers away right now. So getting very close to the 21.1k. Looking forward to it, of course. And also looking forward to the Bitcoin price, because Bitcoin price will be a very interesting one. Right now, this 1 hourly candle is very green here. So yeah, also this bullish divergence is still playing out here. And yeah, have to wait and see how this will go in the coming hours here for Bitcoin. I cannot drink it all. I cannot drink it all. Spoil it all over my clothes here. Just drink a little bit of water here. Throat is getting very thirsty. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. I have to get some water in here, sorry. So yeah, guys, I mean, if you look at Bitcoin, if you look at the Bitcoin price, still getting this bullish divergence breaking to the upside here. Do still want to see, of course, a retrace coming in here, but it's very likely that we already told you ago once we were starting the stream. Seeing this bullish divergence is very likely to see the price also pushed a little bit higher here. Yeah, once you're seeing a bullish divergence. So also got a little bit more water here. So yeah, let me see what we're right now having here with the Bitcoin chart, and also do want to look here at Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. Also a very interesting chart, and Ethereum compared to Bitcoin not showing a lot of strength here once again, just lagging behind once again here, and we don't like to see that, of course. Ethereum is just not showing a lot of strength compared to Bitcoin, and you can see this decrease in price from Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. Ethereum is just not performing as well as what we should have expected. It had a 30% decrease in price compared to Bitcoin, where all these other altcoins were gaining compared to Bitcoin. So that's pretty unfortunate. That's pretty unfortunate. What did you study? I was studying facility management, but I stopped it. Because yeah, I want to focus fully on crypto. Elon will announce that he will be holding Cardano very soon. And yes, I know. Probably he will. Probably he will. He likes hard forks. Also, that was the reason why he updated his profile picture to this fork. Very likely that he was saying that. Good morning, Rover from the USA. So thank you for tuning in here from the USA, Dirty Jersey. Little Blue Elephant's always flirting with me. Always flirting with me. But I mean, yeah, seeing this chart of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, just not showing enough strength here, and also Ethereum just compared to US dollar, also not showing enough strength. But if you look at the dollar index, finally increasing once again, so maybe heading towards our resistance target. And yeah, you can see right now for the last day here, last 3 days, we saw green candles here on the dollar index. So once you're seeing a lot of green candles, probably going to see a red candle after this one anytime soon here. So yeah, let's see how this will go here for this coin. Let's see how this will go. For this coin, I mean for the dollar index. So, Little Blue Elephant. Oh yeah, 55 years old. I don't know how old you are, Little Blue Elephant. I don't totally know nothing about you. But yeah, let's see where Bitcoin Bitcoin is heading towards. So guys, the 4-hourly candle will be very, very interesting once we're seeing this close here coming in. It's going to be very, very interesting what we are going to see. A lot of very funny questions coming in here. But we'll keep it professional for a second here. And yeah, Bitcoin dominance also very interesting, of course. You want to look at the Bitcoin dominance always. Once you're looking at Bitcoin, once you're looking at altcoins, once you are willing to trade altcoins, first want to keep an eye out on this Bitcoin dominance, because the Bitcoin dominance is very important, of course. You know that we are watching the Bitcoin dominance with this chart for already a longer period of time, and you can see right now wicks getting created on the top side of this resistance level, and once we're closing above it previously, we immediately dump below it because now holding up very strong here. But of course, if we're going to close the daily above this, I should get a little bit worried here. But I mean, for now, it's still looking very strong here. And still trading between these ranges. We're just going sideways with Bitcoin, sideways with altcoins. Not gaining exactly for the altcoins and not gaining exactly for Bitcoin. So, I mean, very interesting what we're right now seeing. And right now consolidating, of course, only giving these altcoins. We're consolidating from a downwards move here. So only giving the alts probably more room anytime soon here. So consolidating and then probably going to break even more to the downside. Even more to the downside here. Then we're probably even going to move more to the downside here. So I mean, getting very exciting, of course, what we're right now seeing with the Bitcoin dominance here. And would like to see this break of this white line here, because this white line, this supportive line here, down here, probably going to meet this anytime soon here. And this will be a very, very important line that we do want to break here, because, yeah, as you can see, if we're going to reach this this white line here, probably very likely that we are getting a supportive bounce from it. And once we are breaking below this line here in the Bitcoin dominance, this can really signify that we can have altcoin season maybe start off already early. So I'm looking forward to it, of course. Yeah, you guys did unlock the Rover, unlock the video with Rover with the 20k subscribers. So yeah, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel here, guys. Very close to 21.1k already. So heading towards the 100k, of course. I mean, first we're going to go to the 30k here. So I'm getting very exciting for the future here. Of course, would like to spend my time with you guys. I mean, it's a very exciting day. So with the Bitcoin price, guys, each and every day is an interesting day right now in the cryptocurrency space. I'm very glad that I can be here sharing my thoughts with you guys here on the market, because I mean, yeah, what we are right now witnessing here on the Bitcoin chart, on the Ethereum chart, and the Cardano chart. You know, Cardano chart is also very, very strong here. I mean, this is just looking very strong, and I'm very glad that I'm alive, and that I'm very glad that I'm a holder of crypto, and that I'm exposed to it, and that I can share my thoughts with you guys. And you have to be the exact same like me, because you want to be very glad that you are right now alive here in this time, because a lot of people a lot of people are here and they are not even exposed to crypto. They are not thinking about crypto, but we are just keeping our minds on this. And guys, you have to know, if we go to Google Trends here, because Google Trends is also very interesting. Google Trends is also very, very interesting. And if you search for the tag Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is also a very interesting tag which you do want to look at if you're trading Bitcoin, you really want to know what Bitcoin is doing here in the Google Trends. And right now, look to the Google Trends here. You can see here on the top over here, you can see right now forming a new high here in the Google Trends. So there's becoming more and more interest in Bitcoin, and probably right now with this decrease in price, we're probably going to see less interest coming in here. But I mean, if I look to the chart of the Bitcoin interest, you can see 2017 we were in 100 in the index, but right now only sitting around 62 and heading probably towards the levels around 75. But I mean, the interest is still so low, and we are already sitting around 50k here. So guys, you have to know the last leg of the bull run will be all these retailers that are FOMOing in, stepping into the market, and it's probably this interest in Bitcoin on Google. So a lot of people will search for Bitcoin on Google, and right now we're not having that yet. We did not break through the 2017 all-time high here in the interest. So the interest will be massive once we are sending new all-time highs here once again here. So guys, get excited, because we're just starting and the retail FOMO hasn't even started yet. Of course, we are all retailers. Maybe we have FOMO also into the market, but we are still early. We are still early, and I'm not FOMOing because I'm already buying Bitcoin for a long period of time and anticipating this already for a long period of time. And I told this to all my friends. I told them buy this, buy that, buy this, and they like only 2 or 3 listened. And the ones that are listening, they are very, very glad. And of course, you always have to make your own decisions. And I was only informing them about the market. But right now, these other guys, they're right now buying into Bitcoin once it was sitting around 58k. So guys, you have to know, a lot of people are still willing to step into the market. And please don't spam in the chat. But I mean, we have very exciting times, of course. Okay, look at Bitcoin, of course. Let's look at Bitcoin in 30 minutes here. Oh, I still have the market cipher over here. I mean, they have 30 minutes also seeing bullish divergence here. And probably a momentum shift to the upside once again here. So I think the momentum to the downside here is in the immediate short term at least done here. So probably going to reverse here, unless we are going to set another lower low here. But yeah, I mean, you can see already the momentum wave was shifting to the downside. So from off then, we were already anticipating this. So, I mean, yeah, let's see where we're heading towards, because this is very interesting what we're seeing, of course. But I will remove this real quickly here. So, I mean, yeah, very interesting signals that we're seeing. So let me know if you have some questions here, of course. €2 donation from Julia. You're saying how/where do we buy small altcoins like Polkadot? First of all, Polkadot is not really a small altcoin. But you're wondering where can you buy it? You can buy it on Binance. And I mean, if you want to buy Polkadot, if you don't know where you can buy it, you can also search for yourself. And of course, I'm helping you here. You can just go to the coin on CoinMarketCap. You go to markets, and then you can see here you can buy it on Binance, Yobi, OKX, bitfinex, and you can see also the confidence. Is it trustworthy? You can also see the liquidity. What is also very important that the liquidity is high there, because otherwise you cannot buy or sell it. And also, yeah, I mean. Oh, also getting another donation. Is the US dollar looking bullish? You know, it's very bearish, but I will go into that in a second here. But I mean, Julia, I mean, yeah, you can buy it on Binance, and through Binance you can buy it. And I mean, it's not a small altcoin, and it's definitely a good buy here. It's definitely one that you want to hold here in your portfolio. And Cam71, you're saying, is the US dollar index bullish? In my opinion, very bearish. Still very bearish. If we flip this to the daily here, of course this yellow line will probably act as very significant support here, but yeah, right now still seeing this downtrend getting created. And you see 3 touches already every time once we are touching this level, getting rejected. And also watching this chart over here, once we are heading higher, we were telling you guys already over here. Then we just started the channel, of course. Not just started, but we were just only 2 or 3 weeks into the 1 week into the channel. We told you already only having 200 or 400 subs here, so then we were still very small. But right now, we're telling you guys, okay, please look at this, because we were just in January in the sideways, downwards momentum phase for Bitcoin. We were going down here in January. You guys all know what happened with Bitcoin, and then we were reaching this line. And we told you guys, okay, this is very, very bullish for Bitcoin, because probably getting this rejection here in the dollar index can push the price of Bitcoin higher and these altcoins compared to US dollar at least. So, in my opinion, still very bearish here. And once we're hitting this line once again, looking for another retracement probably. Looking for another retracement. And unless we're going to break through, we can go higher. And this was basically, this run up over here. This run up over here was basically about the stimulus checks here. People were getting, gaining trust back here in the dollar index. And this was also the announcement of the stimulus check here. But yeah, I mean, let's see how this will go here, because the dollar index, of course, a lot of influence with Bitcoin, and if it is going to rise here, it can maybe push the price of Bitcoin a little bit lower here, of course. Can push the price a little bit lower here, of course. So Eric also today bullish diversion on 4 hourly in Bitcoin. Yes, there's still bullish diversion on the 1 hourly. First of all, you can see it over here. 1 hourly bullish diversion and 4 hourly also bullish diversion on Bitcoin. And already discussing this for a period here, but I mean, yes, we could have opened a position here on this bullish diversion on the 1 hourly and 4 hourly, because it was on multiple time frames, and we were telling this already here. But if I want to open this trade, I want to open it at the bottom and not midway here. So right now, probably already get the response of the bullish divergence here, and that's the problem. I'm not going to open the trade right now, because of course we can still go higher here. We can still see a minor increase of price here, but in my opinion, once we're going higher, maybe we can see another leg down here, and still anticipating this another leg down here, because I still think that they're going to dump till today, and tomorrow will be an insane green day in my opinion. And maybe the weekend is going to be a little bit skeptical, because the volume is going to be low, but not a lot of sell orders in my opinion. So probably a very interesting weekend. Yeah, this coming week. But I mean, yeah, I'm looking forward, of course, to the weekend to see, of course, Cardano blast off here, because Cardano then finally is not held back here, and Cardano is probably likely to reach $1.40 here anytime soon here. But I mean, very interesting that we are seeing this bullish divergence, but still think that we can reverse lower. And once we are reverse lower, we will be looking for the swing trade entry, what we are already talking about in the whole stream. And I mean, we can maybe still consolidate around these lower levels here, but I'm still anticipating, even though yeah, we're right now seeing this bullish divergence, still anticipating another leg down here. Still anticipating another leg down here. So not rushing into anything here, just play it with caution. Why didn't you open trade on bottom? Yeah, I could have opened a trade here on this bullish divergence, but not really. I could have opened this on the 1 hourly, of course. But nah, we were not live yet, and I did want to open a trade live in the stream here, and I thought we were getting another retracement. Yeah, I don't want to rush into any trades here, because then I have to market in here, and that's not really my my strategy here. But I mean, definitely we will get some more opportunities today. Definitely we'll get some more opportunities. Also with Ethereum. So I mean, not rushing into anything here. Just playing it slow here. And there will become a lot of opportunities, guys. You know, for trading here, a lot of people that are new to crypto and new to trading, they want to be in a trade every single moment here. But I mean, you don't necessarily have to be in a trade 24/7 here. It can also be 2 or 3 days not in a trade, and then look for a good opportunity here. So that's also the reason why I'm taking it a little bit slow here, because I think it's very risky to open a trade right now. Bitcoin almost hitting the 2.618. When taking the fips from the previous bull market, and that's pretty interesting. Let's set up that 3 top goes. That's a very interesting one. If you look to the bigger picture, of course, if you set up a Fibonacci tool, of course, want to set it perfectly. Want to set it up perfectly. Yeah, once you look at the daily here, I mean. Yeah, if you look to the daily, oh wait, and then I will remove this one real quickly. Let me see. If you look to the daily, this is not looking strong here, because yeah, you can see a lot of wicks got created on this level here. But yeah, I do want to close the daily at least above the 47k here, to be honest, because if we're going to be close below this level, this will probably be very bearish for Bitcoin. So yeah, we can still of course go lower here, create another bigger wick to the downside, and in the end still close above this. But if we're going to close the daily below this line here on Bitcoin, I mean, this will definitely be very bearish. Definitely be very bearish. But yeah, for hourly, of course, this is not very significant. And yeah, we're heading towards this resistance target. So let's see if we're going to see major rejection here, because that would be very likely, of course, because this is a very interesting level that we are trading against. So guys, we will keep an eye out on this level, and 3 top goes. You're an absolute legend for notifying me, of course. So I mean, yeah, if you look to this chart here, you can see wicks getting created over here, and also once we were breaking to the top side of this level, it was acting as support. And still, right now we can hold this as support, because we can still close above this line, and then have once again a wick created on the lower side. But yeah, if you look to the lower time frame, it's probably going to reach this resistance target anytime soon here, and it would be likely to see another retracement, of course, because it is resistance. And we clearly close below it, and yeah, here you can see also a lot of indecision here. So yeah, let's see how this will go right now, because yeah, still creating a lower high. Of course, very bearish here. Lower low. and a lower high created. So still in the downtrend here. So you should be very careful right now with opening a position if you want to go long here. Should be very, very careful. I mean, it's too risky in my approach if you want to open a trade here. Also have to go to the toilet in a second here. Also, I have to go to the toilet in a second here. But yeah, I mean, very, very interesting what we're right now seeing for the Bitcoin price chart. So 47k will also be a very interesting level. Let's see if we're going to find some kind of rejection or some kind of a supportive bounce from there on. So yeah, let's see how this will go for Bitcoin. Of course, it will be very interesting if we're going to see this play out here. Do you know a good trading terminal for crypto? Yeah, definitely. You can find it in the description. My top 3 trading platforms. What I think that are the best, you can find them in the description right now. And yeah, if you're signing up for my referral link, will be of course very nice because you're supporting the channel here completely for free. And I mean, also getting some deposit bonus once you're using them. Would you close the long right now? Of course, no financial advice here. I cannot give you financial advice, but it's pretty risky to have a long position open. Still having this bullish divergence, so don't get me wrong, we can still go a little bit higher from here on, but in my opinion, can definitely reverse to the downside here. Be careful. When will you open a trade on Bitcoin? Only once we are seeing a retracement, the next retracement coming in here. Yeah, probably 42k. 42k will be a very, very strong support level. Very strong support level. And please don't spam in the chat here. I shorted some alts yesterday, working out for me pretty well here. Yeah, I mean, shorting, of course, if you shorted yesterday, worked out pretty well here. But you should be careful here because it's Bitcoin. You're shorting it. But yeah, still waiting for this futures to close here, and then can probably once the futures are closing, we can probably go way higher here with the price of Bitcoin. You can go way higher. And I'm really looking forward to open a trade right now, especially on Cardano here. So I do want to see this retracement coming in for Cardano, because we'd like to open a swing trade, especially on Cardano, because I do think it's very likely to see Cardano once we are retracing. It's very likely to see Cardano to go to very high levels here, and that's also the reason why we do want to get the swing trade in here. Already talking a lot about Cardano here, guys, and of course right now seeing this retracement coming in here, I mean, you shouldn't be careful if you're holding Cardano. I'm holding Cardano as well, so enjoying the gains either way here, but also want to open a swing trade here for the trading challenge here, because I do think once we're opening a trading challenge here, guys, it can definitely bring us with some insane gains here. It can definitely bring us with some insane gains here. So that's the reason why I do really want to open a swing trade here right now here on Cardano. And yeah, still Bitcoin is just cooling off here, just not doing all too interesting things here right now. Not very interesting. And we're just going to witness this, of course, together. And by the way, let me search it up here. And by the way, having right now a shadow ban, I see it right now. So this is pretty unfortunate that we are having this shadow ban. If I search for Crypto Rover on YouTube, cannot find my live stream. So once again, having a shadow ban, guys. This is not the first time that we are having this. So very annoying once again that we are having this, because YouTube once again blocking us. They are liking to block. Yeah, crypto live streams are usually getting blocked a lot here on YouTube. So pretty unfortunate that we are getting blocked right now. So yeah, if you want to help me to counter this, you really want to yeah, like the video here, because then YouTube is seeing that you guys are liking the video, and yeah, also if you can share the video, will be of course very amazing. But very annoying that we are once again having this, yeah, once again having this this shadow ban. Very annoying. So I see it once again having a shadow ban. And yeah, probably if you search on YouTube Crypto Rover, you cannot even find me anymore. So YouTube is once again messing with us. So very annoying. Yeah, sometimes you can find me, but YouTube don't like trading signals. I guess, not sure. I don't think it's really trading signals, because I'm not giving any financial advice here. I saw you at the homepage. Yeah, I know. I see, but I can like see the views where they're coming in from, and you can only see them from browse functions and not anymore from YouTube searches. I have literally 0% from YouTube searches, so I'm not findable. And if I search for Crypto Rover on YouTube, you cannot even find my video. So that's pretty annoying, of course, that YouTube is doing this. Very annoying, of course. Yeah, probably of the scamming. Yeah, that's true. But also having contact with YouTube, and YouTube was saying, okay, no, we are doing nothing. It's just because you're not interacting enough with your viewers, they are saying. So that is very weird because we're trying to interact the most amount with you guys, of course. That's really weird, you know. So also a lot of scammers, guys. You have to be careful. I see a lot of scammers also in the previous. I don't know what it's doing. I mean, there are a lot of scammers in the chat here. Also in the Discord server. So please be careful because you are getting wrecked once you are, once you're wrecked to these scammers. You're trying to scam you. And I will never ask you to send your Bitcoin to me, by the way. So I see a lot of people are sending me messages that I'm sending them messages to. Send their Bitcoin, and they can even have the same tag here in the Discord because I don't know how they're doing it. Also contacted YouTube, but yeah, they can just use the same tag as me and then still be here. It's very weird. So please be careful for all these scammers and just contacted YouTube once again here because it's very annoying. And what's your average rate that you are trading a week? It really depends on the week. Is Bitcoin really volatile? I will trade a lot. Once it's chilling down here, it won't be a lot here. I'm from the UK. Good morning. How old are you? At 20 years old. So yeah, we will talk about charts a little bit more. So GRT also very interesting. Of course, we'll look at GRT as well here. GRT right now trading below the $1.74 here. So I mean, oh, once again my webcam. I will fix it right away. I don't know what it's doing. Still having some minor issues. So. So yeah, we'll fix this of course once we are having the next live stream. So we'll try and fix this as well once again here. But I mean, once again freezing here, so it's pretty weird here. So I mean, if you look to the GRT chart on the 4-hourly time frame, we do want to look at the bigger picture. You can see the 2.618 here. Once again acting as resistance here, so that's of course very unfortunate that we are seeing this level once again right now acting as resistance instead as support, because previously you can see wick getting created and support. Was acting as support, and right now acting as resistance. So very bad in the immediate short term for GRT. If I look to this chart here, and I mean this is not very good here for the price of GRT because they can really push the price a little bit low here once again. And the next support target, once we're going to see another drop off, will be around to $1.16 here. So of course. It can maybe be a very horrible couple of days here for GRT, but I still believe in the project, and I still think. Because a lot of altcoins are seeing this massive retracement right now coming in. You can still see this approximately still 41 to 42% here. So you're still getting a very good sale here to buy into this coin. And I think it's definitely worth it to buy into this coin. Especially right now around these times here. Seeing this major sell off, yeah, you always want to buy the lows and sell the highs here. So if you want to get exposed to GRT, definitely also right now having a very good position to get into this coin here. Definitely a good position to get into this coin. How long do you think it will take to win the 100k challenge? It really depends. I do think still possible in 6 months here or so, because we're also going to open some swing trades, and I really want to open some swing trades. And I think especially with the altcoin season coming, once we're opening swing trades on these altcoins, we can definitely make some insane gains here. And I do think 6 months will be the maximum, but I'm not going to set a time goal here, because if we're setting a time goal, it will be very bad here, because then I'm feeling pressure, and you never want to be pressured with trading. I always want to take a slow approach here and only look for good opportunities, and don't rush into anything here. So yeah, please take it with caution, and don't freak out, and don't rush into trades here. Don't rush ever into trades. So let me see. So yeah, still seeing this shadow ban here on YouTube. Very annoying, of course. But yeah, thank you for your super chat here, of course. Let me see. And yeah, America also going to wake up anytime soon here. America also going to wake up anytime soon here. So looking forward to America because they can probably maybe push the price of some altcoins and some coins also a little bit higher here. Are you investing in PODX? I don't know. I don't know the coin. What about waves? Midterm, fundamentally still undervalued in my opinion. RSA. Waves is right now sitting about P65. 1 billion, exactly 1 billion in market cap. Already pretty high, of course. 1 billion in altcoins. $1 billion US dollars in altcoin. It's not bad, of course, for this altcoin. So yeah, first of all, yeah, creating this downtrend here, creating this resistance line. I mean, if we're going to touch it once again, probably likely to see this correction coming in here for this coin. And yeah, I mean, it's very hard to say, first of all. But I will set up a Fibonacci tool here if I look at the bigger picture. To find some kinds of levels that will probably hold up as support and resistance. You can see over here, trading between these ranges here, then dropping down here, and then trading between these ranges over here. And yeah, right now it's still trading between support and resistance levels. So these are probably the targets that we're probably going to trade between, but also meeting this resistance line. And this resistance line will probably act as pretty significant resistance. But I cannot really give you my fundamental thoughts about this coin here. But I can give you my technical analysis here. So I will give you my technical analysis. And guys, if you want to help me out here, only 7 likes away from the 1400 likes. Would be amazing if we can reach it. Because right now having the shadow ban. And yeah, let's see if we just can still smash up the likes here. It would be, of course, very amazing if we can do so, because then we can still, yeah, maybe do something against YouTube. Because last time the shadow ban was lifted away once we are all liking the video. So it would be, of course, very amazing if we can do the same here, and also share the video if you want to, of course. But I mean, yeah, right now look at the waves here. Very interesting what we're right now seeing here. Of course, no financial advice, but I mean, it's very likely to meet this resistance target over here. And once we're meeting this resistance target, very likely to see a correction, in my opinion, of course. So, I mean, it's very interesting what we're right now seeing here with the chart of waves here. I don't really know the fundamental worth of it, and if it is fundamentally undervalued here, of course, then it's definitely a good buying opportunity. But then you really want to do your own research, because yeah. Yeah, I cannot ever give you any financial advice here. But I mean, yeah, probably going to reach this resistance target anytime soon here. And once meeting, very likely to see a correction here coming in. And if we're going to break it, of course, very likely to find this supportive bounce once we are retesting it. And that will be your buying opportunity, of course. At least in my opinion. I should definitely, I can definitely buy into this coin once we're hitting this line, if you just thoroughly look to the technicals here. So, I mean, looking forward to how this will end here for this coin. And, of course, if we're getting this rejection, probably can push lower here. And, yeah, right now still getting this good buying opportunity, in my opinion. If you look from the top side where we are right now, you can see this decrease approximately of 32% still, 30%... 32% retracement here from top to where we are right now is a very good sale here. And I mean, yeah, it would definitely give you an opportunity to buy into this coin. And if you really want to get exposed here, I mean, just like all the other altcoins, right now seeing just a massive retracement here in the price, and it's giving you just such a good buying opportunity here. So it would be very good if you're buying into these coins right now here, in my opinion, of course. Which coin might lose value in which coins might lose value if ADA skyrocket? I mean, I don't think coins necessarily will lose value here compared to US dollar. But I think a lot of coins will lose their value compared to Cardano, at least. Because Cardano will outperform a lot of coins there in the coming week, in my opinion. And, yeah, just waves. Yeah, if you're believing in the project, you can definitely buy into it right now. But should be careful for this downward sloping resistance line. And if we're going to break it, of course, we'll be very bullish for this coin. But, yeah, you're saying which coin will... might lose value. Compared to US dollar, they probably won't lose any value, in my opinion. Only XRP can. But I mean, yeah, should be careful, because I do think, of course, all the altcoins will increase in value. But Cardano will increase the most amount of value here. But yeah, you really want to take it slow here. You really want to take it careful here. But I don't think the altcoins, some other altcoins will lose value compared to... compared to the US dollar variant, because once ADA is going higher, probably other altcoins will also follow the price of ADA. So yeah, make sure to smash up the likes if you want to help me counter this shadow ban here. Only 55 likes away from the 1.5k likes, and it would be amazing if we can reach it, of course. yeah, everyone hit the like button so YouTube lifts off the ban here. Last time, once we were doing this worked, so it would be very amazing if you're, yeah, right now hitting that like button would be very cool, of course, because then we can finally, yeah, maybe this shadow ban can be lifted off here. And also Gonvara donated here. Thank you for super chat. You are saying, should I buy Cardano or BNB right now? Or should I wait for a lower entry point? And how high will Cardano go after the 1st of March? Very confused. My friend, of course, cannot give you any financial advice here, but in my opinion, yeah, you can definitely buy into Cardano. I should rather buy into Cardano right now than BNB. I think Cardano is ready to lift off here. And I mean, yeah, you can wait for lower entry points. Of course, probably we can go lower here. And I'm not saying that we are going to go high. I'm not saying that we are not going to go lower here. But once we are getting lower, you can only buy more here. But if you are not really exposed to Cardano yet, you can definitely buy into it right now. Because right now, once again, just of course, we're seeing already this massive green candle here, but I do believe in the project and also the hype upcoming for 1st of March, and Cardano holding up so strong here compared to Bitcoin, compared to Ethereum. Definitely buying in right now, it will be a very good thing here, a very good thing. And imagine if Bitcoin just not freaked out here, how high would Cardano have been sitting? Guys, that would be it would have been amazing here. So I mean, still feeling it very well here on Cardano. So definitely buying into it if you're ready to make some gains here. Of course, no financial advice here. But yeah, I would rather buy into Cardano than BNB in my opinion. Guys, I see you all smashing up the likes here. Only 40 likes away from the 1500 and also hitting the 21.1k subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing also to the channel. Very amazing, of course. Very amazing. When is your... please don't spam the chat. I was about to answer a question here. But yeah, I know a lot of people are wondering about my trade here. Trade will be announced in the Discord server once we're taking another one here. But I mean, yeah, looking forward to open the trade, of course. But Bitcoin, you can see... I do want to get maybe another retraces for Bitcoin coming in before opening a real trade here. And yeah, I mean, very interesting what we're seeing. But guys, yeah, we do want to wait and see how this will go here. But yeah, don't have weekends. Don't get wrecked here. Just don't have weekends. Just hold and stay strong here. It's showing 900 likes on my page. That's weird because I'm seeing 1471 live likes here. So thank you so much for all liking the video. And maybe YouTube is seeing this as well. And maybe they're going to lift it up here. So it would be, of course, very nice. Immediate short term for Bitcoin. Do think that we're going to see some kind of structure like this because creating a lower high here, creating a lower low here, and I do think still for the coming hours we're probably going to go higher. But by the end of today, at the end of Friday, because right now it's Friday, I still think that we're going to reverse more to the downside here, in my opinion. Probably going to reverse more to the downside. And once we're seeing this retracement coming in here, guys, you have to know we will be looking for this opportunity here. We will be looking for this opportunity to open this trade finally with you guys once again. And we're going to open a swing trade, and we would like to open this, of course, on Cardano because Cardano is showing a lot of strength here. And already I'm talking about Cardano for the last 2 hours here, and feeling very bullish about it, of course. So looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. And yeah, still bullish divergence, of course, playing out here. So we'll remove this real quickly here. We'll remove this real quickly here. So yeah, I mean, a very interesting structure what you're right now seeing with Bitcoin. And by the way, still having 1400 live viewers. Thank you so much for watching the video. Doesn't F2 pool finish dumping today? They're still dumping till today. Till the end of the day, they're going to dump. Let me see if they're dumping even more here. So let me see. Today, oh no, today the information is not. You cannot even see it because I'm sitting in front of it. You cannot. Yeah, right now you can see it. So I mean, yeah, F2 pool right to yesterday they dumped approximately 40.2k Bitcoin. Probably will continue today with another big dump here, in my opinion. And they will try and push the price even lower here to. Yeah, to wreck you guys, of course, because they want to wreck us. They want to wreck our retailers to sell our Bitcoin, so they can push the price lower, and so, yeah, of course, so their shorts can be very beneficial, and they can make a lot of money from you guys. So please, don't be fooled by these guys. Don't sell your Bitcoin to them. Yeah, future contract ends today. Yeah, that's true. So today will be a very interesting day, of course, and I do think once this future is ending here, probably Bitcoin will increase massively to the upside here because this dump is because of this futures. So I mean, I'm looking forward to the end of the day, and probably the weekend will be very exciting. And also on the futures chart, probably going to create a big gap here. So yeah, we have to be careful. And also the weekend, also low volume. So maybe it's going to be very interesting and very risky what we're going to see here. But I mean, it's going to be a very interesting weekend in my opinion. And also still 55 minutes away from the 4-hourly candle. So looking already forward to it, how this will end here. It is a monster. I've been holding it for 15 days. Due to the reaction, it seems ignored. I mean, we are not ignoring ADA at all here. ADA is holding up very strong. Very strong. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to ADA, how it will end here, of course. And guys, if you want to help me out here, you can also, and if you want to join trading and help me out here, you can also use my referral links in the description. I have a referral link here of Bybit and Vamex here in the description if you want to also join us trading, because once we're going lower, we will be looking for trading opportunity here. And if you want to join me as well here, you can use my referral link in the description. It would be very great if you're using it, because it's you're completely for free supporting the channel, and only you are getting extra bonuses. So it's a win-win for both of us. So it would be very nice if you're using my referral link in the description, because once we are going lower, we will be opening trades here. We will be opening swing trades, because I think swing trades are right now the way to go here for the immediate short term, because right now seeing this correction in, and I want to hold a trade for a longer period of time. I don't want to have a trade taking profits that quickly here, so I want to get an entry very low in, and then look for a next possibility to open a position here for Bitcoin. Also, especially for Chainlink and Cardano, want to open a swing trade here, because I do think it's very good to get an entry right now in for these coins, because I do think that we can really benefit from it once we are having this swing trade entry for Cardano here and Chainlink, because I'm feeling very bullish on it for the immediate short term. Yeah, people are not liking the F2 pulls, and of course they're manipulating the market right now. So I totally get it why you are not feeling very bullish about not bullish. I mean, I totally get it why you don't like them. Totally get it. ADA saved me from getting wrecked. Just bought some more. Yeah, very good job, man. ADA Army, guys. ADA Army. And guys, by the way, if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can also find it right now here. Sorry, you can right now find it over here in the description. So if you also in the description, but also here at CryptoRover, you can follow me as well on Instagram, because we are doing this giveaway on Instagram, and I was not talking about it the whole day here already. So I mean, if you want to join the giveaway as well, because we're giving away 2 Nano Ledger access here, and it would be of course very amazing if you are joining us. With this giveaway here, you can go to my Instagram, you can participate here in this post. So if you want to join the giveaway here, you can just go to my Instagram, you can just go to a recent post, and there you can see how you can join this giveaway. And it would be of course very cool if you're joining it, because this giveaway, we're going to give away 2 Nano Ledger access, and probably this coming Monday we will announce the winner here. So of course, I'm looking forward to announce the winner, because yeah, giving away stuff is always nice here. Giving something back to you guys, hitting the 20k. It was of course a special for the 20k here, and I see I right now have standing at 20k, so it's already 21 because we're growing so quickly here at the channel. But I mean, if you want to participate in the giveaway here, go to my Instagram channel, and yeah, you can join us as well here, because of course, I want to give something back to you guys. And finally, right now, getting the opportunity here. So yeah, you only have to follow me on Instagram here if you want to join us as well, and go to the recent post, and you can see how you can participate over there. So that will be, of course, very nice here. Apples, yeah, everyone's still saying apples in the chat here. I think also another quick bite here. Sorry. What will your ADA entry be? We'll be looking for the perfect entry, of course, for ADA. Would like to see this correction going down here to this blue line here. And once we're hitting this blue line, I mean, of course, it's a very unlikely target to reach, in my opinion. Still very unlikely, but I would like to see this retracement coming in here. And with Bitcoin probably going to retrace anytime soon here, in my opinion, of course. Not in the coming 2 hours, but maybe in the coming 6 hours or so. I see a Bitcoin retracing pretty significantly. So if Bitcoin is going to retrace, ADA will probably not very strong follow here, but of course it will follow a little bit here. Not all too strong, because ADA is showing a lot of strength compared to Bitcoin. But if ADA can also move down here, touches this line, will be the best buying opportunity. One of the best buying opportunities here. So only 9 likes away from the 1500 likes would be amazing if we can still reach it here. So, how low did you put your order of Bitcoin? I haven't set a order, but yeah, there's probably a conditional order that you can set around to 42.1k here. 42.1k. So, still doing some. So let me see. Futures ends in 5 hours. I thought it was going to end later. Thought it was going to end later here. But guys, this stream of today won't be this long here. Also because of the shadow bank, very annoying. Very annoying that YouTube is holding us back right now. And also, this one just with the microphone. Hopefully, it's working better here right now. I see also a lot of people right now follow me on Instagram to participate in the giveaway here, so very amazing that you guys are following me. And of course, great, thank you so much. And let me know if you like the face cam, if you want to see it more often, or if you just want to see without the face cam. I do think it's a good additional feature here for a stream. For how long will Ethereum drop? We have to wait and see how this will go. 42.1k is definitely a long order, not a short order. Please recommend a crypto trading platform from non-US. Will be Bybit and Bybit. So you can find it in the description if you really want to see which exchange I prefer. You can find it in the description. Just scroll down here, go down in the description. You can see Bybit is my favorite one. Femex also a very good one because we're doing the trading challenge of Femex. If you want to join the trading challenge, you can use the Femex referral link, and you can just use both referral links, of course, in the description. And I see, yeah, we're probably going to make some insane gains once the bull market is continuing. But right now, I'm using a lot of Bybit once again here for my private account. So, yeah, having both accounts here because we're doing trading challenge and also doing some private trades, but maybe also going to show my private trades later on here. Maybe going to, if you guys like that, of course. Basecamp good, yeah, okay. Then we are all. That's very nice. Why did you get banned? I don't know. YouTube. I already got banned like 10 times already. I shadow banned on YouTube 10 times or so. So I don't know why it is. They're saying that I'm not interacting with the comments, and I don't necessarily know why because I'm trying to do it. But I think it's just they're not going to admit that they're going to ban crypto videos because if they're saying that, it will be just stupid for them from their side. So I mean, I think they're just banning crypto live streams sometimes once they're seeing this. I'm probably going, and that's also the reason going to wrap up the stream anytime soon here because, yeah, of course, maybe going to make another video today, and also maybe if we're going to see very interesting price action tonight, I can be live as well here. Then I can be later on also live here. So looking forward to that as well here. Maybe 2 streams today. So maybe a shorter one in the morning here, and maybe later on today a little bit of a longer one. So yeah, let's see how this will go, of course. But yeah, guys, unfortunately, I will wrap up the stream here of today. And yeah, of course, very unfortunate YouTube is shadow banning us, and it's also holding me back a little bit here. But guys, if you want to join the Discord server, you can join it right away here in the live chat. You can join it in the live chat, and once you're joining the Discord server, we will keep you guys up to date there. And I mean, very interesting if you're joining here because we're building a very strong community, and I see just quickly looking here, 8,400 almost 8,300 live members in the Discord, so building a very strong community heading towards the 10k members in the Discord server. And yeah, just it's looking very strong here, so looking forward to see you guys over there, and maybe going to do a live stream later on today once the Bitcoin price action is going to be very interesting. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will check you guys in the next one. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next live stream. So peace out and see ya.